Bango talaga.
Oh my God.
I like this.
Fudge.
What am I
Or maybe,
smelling?
or may,
bango gagi.
Contrary to popular belief dun sa West na versatile to, I would say no.
no, it's not versatile sa Philippines.
No.
Oh my God, alam mo, ngayon ko napagtanto na
Actually,
yung
oo nga, no?
hype sa Valaya deserve.
We're about to smell 16 fragrances. We'll pick our top 3 picks and 3 na hindi namin magugustuhan. No biases, just pure critic. So I'm joined with my friends right here. Pakilala kayo.
Hi, my name is Shabib Mamaluden.
Adrian Fragrances.
Gabriel Muyar.
Ayan. So, right now, ang pag-usapan namin is the brand Kadlaj. So, Kadlaj is a Middle Eastern fragrance brand. Mostly dupes. So, baka meron kayo mahanap na magugustuhan nyo dito and then watch and, get your popcorn and enjoy the podcast.
Let's go. Guys,
Okay.
I just wanna say, na-miss ko kayo.
Yeah, dude.
Na-miss ko kayo.
Wait lang, disclaimer.
Yeah.
First time namin naamuyin to.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hindi pa namin
yeah.
naamoy yung
Same
iba
too.
dito eh.
Same here.
Ay, ikaw
Yeah.
din?
Yeah.
Ang dalawa pa lang naamoy namin
Dalawa.
so far.
Which
At
is? Which
full
are?
disclosure lang.
Okay,
Yes.
full disclosure. Yes.
Yung
Asa-
white one, tsaka yung Kadlaj Island.
Shiaka Snow and yung Island Dreams.
Yung same rin. Actually, same rin. Yung isa yung Altair, tapos isa naman yung sa Island Dreams.
So what
Yun
you're
lang yung naamoy ko.
the
Yeah.
reactions that you're gonna get are
Are-
raw.
Talagang raw.
Mostly raw.
And that's what I do. You guys know me. Okay, last time ginawa natin to with what's the brand? Rayhan.
Hindi niya kami pinayagang amuyin.
Oh, talagang ang tagal namin nila alam, but
Nangangati kami nun.
obviously these are my personal bottles, so alam ko na lahat 'yan. So, but of course, we wanna get other opinions as well. All right. Let's start with maybe isa sa mga pinaka kilala sa brand na to. Let's start
Alright.
with the Island line. This is the Island only.
Ayun yung original na.
This is the original
Yeah.
one.
Oo.
Alright.
Diba,
Kadlaj
ano siya?
Island.
Libo?
Yeah, this is
Libo,
Libo
Le Parfum?
Le Parfum.
Oh my
Okay.
God. Ito ba
Yeah,
yung
yeah, yeah,
coconut?
Yes.
Oh my God.
This is it.
Okay guys, if you don't know, that's my enemy.
Same.
Ayoko ng creamy coconut. Watery coconut is
Same.
fine.
Watery coconut is good, yeah.
Yeah, watery coconut is fine, but...
Not everyone has good taste, you know.
No.
I
love coconut. I love coconut.
Grabe naman. Alright.
I love this.
The Kadlaj Island. This is
Oh,
inspired by Libo Le Parfum from Jumpo Gotti.
Wait lang ha. All eyes on Shibib ah. Oh, gusto mo yung amoy niyan?
Mahilig talaga sa coconut to eh.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like this one too.
No, this is a no for me.
What?
I like this.
Yung coconut eh.
I don't hate it, but like, it's not my jam. It's not my thing.
Same. Well, mabango naman siya, pero hindi ko talaga gusto yung ganitong...
Full honesty,
Yeah.
I would want to smell this on another person, but I wouldn't wear it.
Gets.
Gusto ko yung amoy ng coconut, pero yun nga, hindi ko siya kaya suotin.
Gamitin, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, ako personally, I would wear this talaga. Siguro kasi it's
Mahilig ka sa coconut eh. Last time parang gustong-gusto mo eh.
Yeah. Parang yung dun sa Rayhan na, ano tawag doon sa Rayhan yan?
This is...
Aquatica, yun. I
Well,
love that.
Aquatica,
Aquatica is
I love.
good.
Okay talaga siya. Yun yung gusto natin parehas eh. Medyo watery.
Bumili ako nun.
Medyo watery.
It's
Yeah.
watery coconut. Ang ganda.
Yeah, di ba? Pero this
Yeah.
one I really like.
Oo. Ayoko yung parang coconut na dessert type. The creamy
Ito,
one.
medyo
The creamy
creamy
type.
to
Yeah,
Ito creamy. Pero it has blue qualities to it. Parang
yeah,
bagong ligo.
meron.
How close is this, Greg, sa ulo?
Oh,
Dati,
yan.
I'm not in the position to tell kasi wala ako nung bottle. Since hindi nga ako, I don't buy, sometimes I don't buy perfumes, although I'm a collector as well, pero pag hindi ko talaga gusto, hindi ko na,
Hindi mo na
hindi ko na binibili.
Yeah, I
Ano
get
para?
that.
Oo.
I have a
It's good,
friend
yeah.
kasi na mahilig sa libo.
Aha.
Tapos parang, dati kasi, I think that was
Ito ba yung
almost 2
may
years ago.
dahon sa ano? Private?
Yes.
Yeah.
This was, I think, almost 2 years ago na naghahanap siya ng dupe ng libo. At least ito. Jeff, meron na.
Yeah.
Sinong gagamit nito? What do you imagine
Okay.
na taong gagamit nito?
I think if you live sa beach or by the beach,
Yeah.
this is good.
At nighttime.
Yes.
At nighttime.
That was actually, that was actually,
Parang pwede siyang, parang,
Yung parang asawa ni Andy. Andy Eigelman.
gigimik, bata, let's say college boy nang gigimik, tapos sa LU ka.
yeah, mga ganyan.
Yeah.
Alam mo sa akin?
Hmm.
Alam niyo yung mga finance bros na pumupunta sa ibang bansa habang nagwo-work sila doon sa usually mga by the beach.
Yeah.
Mm.
Ganito yung na-imagine ko ng suot nila.
Gets.
Yung
Pwede
naka-backpack.
Hindi, mga mayayaman yun.
Ah, mayayaman ba?
Finance bros na, usually mga
Mga finance bros na
ano sila usually.
naka-Henley.
Either finance bros sila or parang meron silang mga startup.
Yeah.
Gets,
They earn
gets.
habang remotely.
Have remotely,
Yeah.
yes.
Have remotely.
okay.
So, rate from 1 to 10, 10 being the highest.
Okay. Can I start para maano
Go.
nyo?
Para malabas mo na. Okay.
5.
Okay.
Five.
Fair.
Five.
For me?
Yeah, go.
since nga this is something that I would wear, I would give it like an 8.5.
Ang
Yeah.
taas.
8.
Yeah. I would wear this.
7.
Okay.
Alright,
Diba?
alright.
Alright.
Ang sama ko dun ah.
Alright, next from the same line, this is Kadlaj Vanilla Dunes. So this one
Okay.
is
And this
a
one is
dupe of
Altair.
Altair from
Yes,
Parfums de Marly.
Altair.
Yan yung pangalawang sumikat, di ba?
Yeah, ito yung sumunod.
Aside
niyo ba?
from di ba, liquid brun.
Fun
Yeah.
fact.
Okay.
Alam nyo ba na it's been parang 2 years na consistently or 1 year?
Na?
Voted na paborito ng mga babae sa Fragrante kayong Altair.
Altair.
Oh, wow.
Actually, okay. Hindi ko alam sa Pilipinas to.
Oo
Kasi
nga,
baka
oo.
ibang setting eh. Pero I do get why. Kasi meron talaga siyang sweet masculine vibe.
Yeah.
And I do
Yeah.
get it. Especially
Yeah.
cold weather. Di ako magtataka. But, you know.
Like, I would say kasi ito yung mga frags na mas mabango sa hangin. Mas mabango siya sa hangin compared sa pag inaamoy mo sa
Pag correct. Parang na-experience ko nasa nasa Kadlaj ako. Mabango siya eh. Pag naaamoy mo lang.
Yeah.
Oo
Pero
nga,
like
tama.
pag sobrang concentrated on skin or like sobrang lapit mo siguro.
Uy, pero that's a good tips for beginners. If you smell a perfume, tapos ginudge nyo
Too up
agad,
close, yeah.
directly. Hindi naman
Yeah.
kayo ganun amuyin ng mga tao.
Exactly.
Naamoy na kayo if you pass by. So dapat, if ayaw nyo siya directly amuyin, try nyo i-fan sa nose nyo.
Pwede yan.
It's
True,
ibang
true.
experience siya eh. So,
Also, pwede din para hindi ka masyadong malisit, ma-choke no,
Oo.
sa scent. Huwag mo lang talaga siyang spray near your nose. So like, at the back of your ears, para at least parang nahahanginan lang siya.
Oo, tama,
You know,
tama,
So,
tama.
ganun siya. But anyway,
okay.
what do you think?
Again, I'm not a huge fan ng Altair mainly because of the opening. Ang
same,
sobrang
bro.
It's too
spicy
spicy.
ng
Gets ko yan.
opening, sobrang sharp.
Yeah.
Talagang sobrang peppery niya.
Yeah.
Pero I do appreciate Altair for the dry down.
In fairness naman, ang ganda ng
Ang
dry
bango
down niya.
ng dry
Bango
down
ng dry
niya.
down
Like
niya.
Yeah,
amber,
yeah.
vanilla.
I agree.
Ako what I like about this muna is the performance, of course.
Uy, in fairness, malakas to.
Malakas talaga.
Malakas. Yeah.
Malakas siya. Pero same with Gab, I don't like the opening. For me naman, I don't pick up the spicy or the pepper. Parang mas nakukuha ko yung texture. Para siya sa akin, medicinal and gummy
Gets.
or rubbery. Hindi ko
I don't
masyadong...
get
Not
the
rubber tires
rubbery,
ah.
but like,
Hindi yung tires na goma. But parang siyang Play-Doh. Parang
Yeah,
ganun.
yeah, yeah.
Parang
yeah,
ganun.
Get that.
Hindi ko masyadong gusto yung ganun. But sa hangin, iba siya. Yeah.
May association ako dito. Maganda kasi yung association ko talaga.
go,
dito.
I mean,
Go,
we
go.
have
Open tayo
I've
dito.
different,
always liked
ano
Altair. I've
Okay.
always liked Altair.
Go.
Okay.
I think you have one, di ba? Meron ka, di ba?
Tapos, wait lang, kwento ko lang to. Naamoy ko one time yung Altair sa Landers. Hindi ko pa siya naamoy sa ibang tao ever. Before nun. Nung naamoy ko, sabi ko, may naka-Altair dito ah. Hinahanap ko, poging lalaki matangkad, ang bango bro. Kada napapatansin ko, Altair talaga to.
Altair.
Okay,
Guy
okay,
knows
okay.
ball. Nasa isip ko, I know what you're wearing,
May ganyan
bro.
eh, no? Like, kahit kung hindi man sa'yo, pero maganda experience mo na naamoy mo sa iba, tumatatak eh.
Oo.
Yeah. Tsaka
yeah,
ano
yeah.
din, Jeff Ong.
Si Jeff.
Jeff, he likes
Shout out,
Altair.
shout out
Shout out,
Jeff
brother.
Ong ah. Uy, grabe
Yeah.
idol ka si Jeff Ong.
Kasi sinusuot niya sa jogging.
Oh my God!
Hindi, ako personally,
Really?
I don't mind. Basta konti yung spray.
Yeah,
siya
okay
eh.
lang siya.
Masarap
oo.
siya sa ilong.
Parang ano lang siya, oo.
Like, yeah, for me, hot take ko is you can wear stuff like this kahit sa initan, basta konti lang.
Basta konti lang. That's
Yeah,
all
of
naman.
course,
Just
of
dial
course.
down the sprays. Ngayon kasi mga fragrance, gusto pa.
Pero wait lang,
Yeah,
ano yung
yeah.
dial down the sprays? Ilang sprays yan?
I mean like kung ako nasa sitwasyon nag-jogging pero vanilla
Altair.
fragrance, I would probably 2 sprays only.
2 sprays?
Yeah.
3. Yeah, mga 2 to 3 is
Pero
max.
like full, alam mo yung full ganun
Full
talaga.
spray.
Yung
Yeah,
buong
yeah,
pindot.
Malayo. Dapat malayo.
Yeah. Pwede.
Tapos sa likod. Tapos yun na yun.
Pwede naman.
And personally, I wear Ombre Nomad pag mainit. So,
Grabe.
Grabe.
Pero syempre, like one spray lang.
One spray
like,
lang.
just,
Spray
like,
is
just a
enough,
bubble
yeah.
lang. A
Yeah,
bubble.
yeah,
Tama.
Kasi pag sumobra ka na sa isa, pati ikaw mamatay.
Actually, ang sarap nung gano'n. Yung alam mo yung parang
Makapal yung suot
lapit
mo.
ka para maamoy mo pa.
Right.
Alam mo
Parang
yun?
ano,
Yeah.
It's very intimate. Kailangan maging close.
I
Right?
agree.
Alright.
One word.
Pero ito
Go.
hindi
Kahit
mo
hindi
kailangan
na-
lumapit para maamoy si Dunsa.
No, definitely
Malakas
not.
to.
Dalakas naman siya. Okay. How do you rate it? 1 to 10?
Ako 9 to.
9.
9 to sa akin. Bango eh. It's close to Altair.
Yeah.
It's
It is
really
It is-
close.
It is
to
close.
It's
Yeah.
really close. So for that, 8 ako dyan.
Okay, so we're judging it by by how
You rate me in bottle,
close
but
it is.
the
Ako
perfume
siguro,
itself.
Depende. Siguro we'll rate it just overall. Do you like
Overall,
it?
yeah, overall.
So like, do you like it? Pwede nga,
Plus
pwede tayo
the
maging
closeness,
objective.
yeah.
So,
You like you can parang envelope anything, everything
Yes.
inside the rating.
yeah.
So ako, sige. Ako, I'll say it's 7 kasi I'm not the biggest fan talaga of Altair. But the quality is really good. The performance is really good. It's really close. So I think 7 to 7.5 for me.
7.5.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would say siguro mga 7 din sa akin. Kasi nga, I appreciate yung ginawa ng Kadlaj dito with how close it is, with how good the quality is. Pero unfortunately, Altair is not really a fragrance for me. Pero yeah, I would say 7 din just for the art. Just for the art of it. Yeah.
Yeah. Pero parang ganito ba yan? Hindi natin bibilin, pero pag bibigyan tayo, thank you.
Pwede.
Oo, parang
Yeah,
ganun.
yeah,
I wouldn't buy this, but
yeah.
if bibigyan ako niyan, I'd use it.
Siyempre,
for sure.
Yeah,
Ako
yeah.
yung first one ganun.
Yung
Pero yung-
si,
the blue is,
okay.
Pero yung sa Altair, I'd buy it.
You'll
I could buy
okay.
it personally. Yeah. Okay. I get that.
Alright.
Ako yung sa una, pag binigay sa akin, ay, may mas nakaka-appreciate niyan yung pinsan ko. Alright, so next,
Okay.
ano Greg?
Third one, yeah?
Islands ulit.
The last from the
this
islands.
one.
This is
Ay, yan.
Island
This one.
Dreams.
Ito talaga.
Yan
I
yung
love
sikat,
this one.
yan yung ano ngayon, yung pinakasikat ngayon
Diba
sa
Symphony?
Islands.
This is LV Symphony.
Symphony.
Yeah.
Yes.
Supot yung spray.
No cuts yan, ha? No cuts.
No cuts, no
Ayan,
cuts.
ayan, kasi ano siya.
Yun. Okay.
Yun.
There you go. So LV Symphony.
Ah.
Okay, this
It's a
one I
citrusy
like.
aromatic fragrance.
This one I like. It's super citrus. I think ginger, bergamot.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like this.
It's very reminiscent of the DNA of Tegar, of Vibrato.
Mga bergamot, no?
Yeah.
Although those are like more juicier, but
Yes,
yeah,
yes. Diba? Parang they're in the same family.
It's
I
bright.
would say.
No, it's bright.
It's very bright.
Pag-usapan nga
it's very
natin, bergamo or bergamot?
Bergamot.
Bergamot talaga.
Bergamot.
Oo.
Okay.
Or Bergamo.
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 Shibs, what do you think?
So, wait lang, sobrang kalmado ko no? Hindi, walang fidget kaya.
Guys, nag-ano kasi ito, may tinake kanina gamot
yung
pa to
tinake
eh.
mo,
Sobrang
effective
ano lang.
na.
May tinake na gamot to eh.
Pero ang bango, bro.
Bango nito?
Ang bango, bro.
Spoiler alert, top 1 ko to.
Yeah. Yeah.
This might be my top one too, but ang dami ko pang hindi naamoy. This is 14.
Among the three?
I don't want,
Ay, oh,
Among
among
the
the three. Oh,
Yeah,
easy.
kasi I haven't tried the rest. So,
Alright,
Okay,
so gusto nyo ba
so-
ganito? May top 1 tayo, tapos let's see if it changes.
okay.
Current top 1
Current
ko to.
top 1.
Okay.
Okay.
I would say, current top
This is
one
my
then.
current top 1.
Oh, lahat tayo, no?
How's the performance of this one?
I only get around 4 hours, max 4, 5. Of course, the
But
projection
wait, is it on close or on skin yung ganun?
like overall. On skin kasi the longevity is around 5 to 6 hours.
That's pretty long, bro.
Yeah, this is long. So,
Yeah.
yun yung hindi nila masyadong nagigit sa mga tao. Longevity and projection are different thing, guys.
Yeah,
Different
yeah,
things
yeah,
yan. So, on my skin, this last mga around 6 hours on skin, which is good. But it only projects, like I can only detect it on me around like an hour or less. Because it's a freshie, so that's understandable.
Kino-consider kasi natin sa performance yung pag naging skin scent na lang din siya eh.
Yes,
Yeah.
kasi
Yeah.
sa kanila, kaya nila sinasabing, ang week,
Kasi yung
1 hour
projection
wala
na.
na. Di, normal yun, guys, ha? Hindi yun.
Even sa OGs.
Even OGs, ganyan talaga.
Even niche.
Meron akong tip na ibibigay sa mga
Oo.
newbies. Medyo skeptical kasi ako whenever may nababasa ako na ano ba yung performance ito? 1 hour pa lang wala na, blah, 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 blah. Skeptical ako sa ganun. Kasi if you haven't tried spraying it on another person or on a t-shirt somewhere, basta cloth, tapos babalikan mo lang.
Ang lakas pag gano'n nagtatagal, di ba?
Bro,
Mga
hindi, kasi
plastic mo
that's-
eh,
hindi mo siya pwedeng ma-base na parang sinuot mo tapos hindi mo na maamoy. You can be anosmic to it.
Yeah.
True.
Hindi siya
Nose
magandang
blind.
basihan. So what I usually do, ako personally, what I usually do,
Yeah.
I have a cousin, we work out together. Spray ko sa kanya. Sabi ko, bro, test natin performance ito. Spray ko sa kanya.
Tinitest mo yung performance pero sa ibang tao, no?
Yes.
I
Kasi
agree.
mas hindi ako nose blind eh. So
oo.
every time
Yeah.
magkakasalubong kami sa gym, okay pa yung projection. Tapos time ko yung oras, sabi ko, okay, pwede pa to.
Yeah,
Alright.
yeah.
Sa damit, after, amuin ko pa yung damit.
Okay, so quick explanation. Random, Greg, Gab, ano yung anosmic?
Kono, Gab.
Anosmic basically nose blindedness.
Oh,
So
yeah,
bali,
yeah.
kahit scientific natin scientific time with Gab. Basically na mangyayari.
Scientific time ni Gab. Ting,
Basically na
ting, ting.
nangyayari is okay, layman's is yung utak natin or
Get
yung
used
ilong
to.
natin ayaw niyan na may naamoy ng paulit-ulit. Basically nauumay yung ilong natin.
Or it get used to.
Oh, it gets used
Yeah.
to it. So ano nangyayari is your brain sees it as like danger na meron ka naamoy ng paulit-ulit. So bale, it chooses to
Ignore.
disables it. Or
Oh,
parang it
wow.
chooses to ignore it.
Ganda.
So, ganun yung nangyayari kapag anosmic ka or nose blinded. Basically,
And-
it's just your brain's survival mechanism para hindi
Cut,
ka
wala na tayong budget sa science mo.
May-
Ang mahal
may
ng
analogy ako-
ang
may
mahal ng
analogy ako
segment na yan eh.
May analogy ako dyan.
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Alam niyo yung pag nasa CR kayo, tapos tumae kayo?
Uy!
First few minutes.
Kadlash.
Pasintabi lang pa, pasintabi lang.
Pero mga nagla-lunch dyan
Sorry. Pero pagka nasa CR kayo, tapos nag number 2 kayo, number 10, di ba? Number 2 kayo, di ba una maamoy?
Bro,
niyo?
may siyaj.
Tapos biglang mawawala.
Yeah.
Pero pag lumabas kayo ng CR, tapos
Ay,
lalo na pag wala kang exhaust,
basically.
tapos bumalik ka, nandun pa rin.
Andun pa rin.
Basically. Or
Totoo
another
yan.
example is,
true.
let's say nasa lugar ka na makanal. Siyempre, yung utak mo hindi kaya na amuyin na, oh shit, amoy kanal. So, bali, nag-a-adjust siya para maging...
Mawala.
Hindi mo siya
Para
dumamoy,
mawala,
hindi mo siya
right?
malakas.
Pero ganun pa rin yung amoy niya sa ibang tao.
Yeah.
Basically, parang ganun. Siyempre, baka panoorin to nila Sir Renato
Pwede
tapos
tong-
sabihin, mali yung sinabi ni Gab. pag mali, correct me if I'm wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. Pero parang ganun yung pagkakaintindi ko sa anosmia. Or anosmia, yeah.
Alright. So,
Alright.
bango?
Ako, I imagine this is a nice like unisex fragrance. This is not, to me, this is not feminine. This is not masculine. It's just fresh. It's a fresh scent
Yeah,
that is
super
parang,
fresh.
okay, are you guys familiar with Dinuko?
Yeah, the
Angel's
baby,
breath.
ito yung pang baby, di ba?
Parang ganyan. Pero of course, this is much more like, mas elevated naman. But
Mas brighter.
that's the style. Like, it's very neutral.
Parang everyone can use it.
Yes.
Yes.
Pero, yung nga sabi ko nga, despite being fresh, this one has this certain parang, it's an elevated scent despite being fresh.
Uy,
Ay,
may natry ako, ang bango nito sa buhok ah.
pwede,
Pag sa babae, ang bango nito sa buhok.
Ang linis
bro.
kasi.
Malinis,
Ang
malinis.
linis.
Pero ako bro, personally, I have a love and hate relationship with these kinds of DNA. Kasi
Oh, really?
nangangasim siya sa akin.
Okay.
Okay.
On your skin.
On
okay.
my skin. So, bali,
Guys,
sa damit
kung may
lang talaga
topic,
siya.
kung may budget pa tayo, another Gabs,
Yeah.
science trivia sana eh.
Go
So,
tayo.
Kaso next time na wala tayong budget dyan eh.
So basically, ba't nangangasim sa balat ko?
Oh, anyway, okay, sige. So, what's your rate?
10.
Oh, 10 ka?
10.
I'll give 10 kasi I can use this anytime, anywhere.
Gets mo naman.
And para sa akin, sulit yung fragrance pag kaya siyang gamitin ng mga tao sa bahay.
That's true. I agree naman.
Hindi ako nakakaubos ng 100 ml ah. So if I can share it,
Sino pa ba?
yeah,
Nakakaubos
di ba?
na.
Yeah.
Ikaw?
I would say mga 9.5.
Oh.
Alright.
Yeah,
Ay,
mga
ako
9.5. Yeah, mga 9.5.
Curious ako sa 10 ni Greg ah.
Yeah.
Ako
Let's
10
see.
ako dito, ikaw din.
10 din.
10 ako dito.
Alright.
I love this.
So far, ito ang top 1 ng lahat.
Top 1.
Yep,
Kadlaj
yep,
Island
yep.
Dreams. Alright.
Island Dreams. Ping! Ang bango nito.
Next naman tayo sa mga another parang trio or hindi mo siya trio, marami pang iba but I only have 3 of this line which is the Shiaka.
Oh, the Shiaka. Yan yung parang ano.
Start
ano.
with I think one of the first ones. This is Shiaka Blue.
Can we talk about the bottle design? Bakit
Yeah.
kaya ganyan?
Parang brick.
I'm not the biggest fan. Actually, nabanggit na to. Shout out to Dubai Shop Baliwag.
Shout out Miss
Ninang Joanne.
Tita Ninang Joanne.
Oo, pero nabanggit na to ni Ninang Joanne mismo kay Kadlaj. Sabi niya, baguhin nyo naman yung... I-improve nyo naman yung bote. Like, improve the bottle. Make it more like sophisticated, you know. So, because sayang eh. Marami magaganda sa line na to, honestly. But, yeah. Shiaka Blue muna tayo.
Shaka Blue.
Shaka. Shaka.
Shaka.
Ano kaya? Yan, ito something na hindi ko pa naamoy ito eh. So I'm excited.
Yeah.
Shaka Blue.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm guessing this is a blue fragrance.
It is
Shaka
a blue fragrance,
eh.
yeah. I forgot kung saan siya exactly to, but I think this is in the lines of Carolina Herrera, Bad Boy
Cobalt. Cobalt.
I think it's
I mean, makes sense if it's blue ah.
nasa Cobalt siya. Ang bango niya, no?
Wait lang, ito ba yung sinuot mo nung nag-gym tayo with Sir Gib?
I think that's the black one.
Parang yan eh.
Baka nga. Hindi ko matandaan. Ay,
Parang ito yun. Oh.
ito ba yun? I forgot.
Naalala ko eh.
Guys, spoiler alert ah. Physical Asia members ah. Itong
Oh,
dalawang
grabe.
katabi ko.
Oh, pero yun chan, mang inasal.
Shoutout
Sponsor,
Mang Inasal.
sponsor us pala, sponsor us.
Shoutout Mang Inasal. Kung gusto niyo kami mag-podcast dyan.
Kaya namin yan.
Kaya
Habang
namin yan.
kumakain ng chicken oil.
Kasi only rice.
Pawis tayo nun, bro.
Sobrang macerated yung oil nila eh, no?
Yun, pure oil yun.
Ito,
Oil-based po ba yun?
Oil-based talaga.
Oil-based
What can I say?
ito, honestly, I'm not a big fan of this one.
Okay.
Kasi, hindi ko alam kung may pick up nyo rin. Pero may parang
Let us
maski
know.
animalic siya.
Animalic. Okay.
Diba?
I mean, yeah.
Alright.
Parang may pagka-animalic siya on me. Sa ilong ko at least. Or siguro may sipon lang ako.
Siguro.
Okay, don't get it.
Ako,
Rate
I can't say na hindi ko siya gusto. gusto ko siya, but I'm not the biggest fan ngayon. Pero nung hindi pa kasi ako milig sa pabango, ito yung mga gusto kong
Yes,
ginagamit.
totoo.
So if you don't have much experience sa pag-explore pa ng ibang different fragrances, mga niche, mga kakaibang pabango, ganito yung hilig ko dati talaga. Mga blue fragrances. Reminds you of parang liquid shower gel.
Yeah.
So ito siya sa akin. And for me, blue fragrances like this are super good sa office and school. So any professional setting, this is really good.
Blind, ano siya? Blind by safe.
Blind by safe. Blind by safe.
Uy, ganda ng atomizer.
Show
Ganda na atomizer.
show it. Ayun.
Ako pakita ko. May focus.
Okay, pakita natin.
So ito yung atomizer check tayo kasi alam ko marami sorry.
Okay, so pangit yung bote pero nabawi sa atomizer.
Nabawi sa atomizer.
Pero para sa akin, nagagandahan ako sa bote.
Well, kanya-kanya
Kasi
sa
yan
I mean, kanya-kanyang type
pag
naman
mo sa ilaw. Pag mo sa ilaw.
Actually. Yeah.
Kasi nga it shimmers, no?
Oo.
Yeah.
Ay, nawawala na pala yung tinutukoy ko na
You know,
animalic
this,
mask.
to dumb it down for someone, sabihin natin hindi nyo pa naamoy yung CH Bad Boy Cobalt. Kunwari lang. Dumb it down, not the best description, pero isipin mo parang pinaghalo mo yung BDC at saka yung Sauvage.
Pwede. Actually, yun nga.
Pero
It's a mix of
mainly BDC I would say.
gets.
Yeah,
Sabi nga, it's a mix of a lot of
Different
blue
blues.
fragrances.
Yeah, blues.
Yeah.
Blue de Chanel, Sauvage, what else? Not YEDP, but like,
No, not YDP.
no, but in that,
Invictus.
Yeah. Hindi. Very,
Miles
very,
lang.
si ano eh.
but yeah, parang it's
Dylan
a,
Blue?
Dylan, yeah, I was
Oh,
about to say,
Dylan
there you
Blue.
go. Dylan Blue. So parang pag
maganda.
pinagsama-sama yung tatlo, parang ito kakalabasan niya.
Kaya pala may pagkaano. Siguro doon ko nakukuha yun, yung pagkaamoy laway.
Wait lang, we
Gets.
haven't talked
Gets.
about
Diba?
price. Anong price ito? Kasi this
prices-
is good for students, ha?
Yeah, prices nito is not, parang wala naman 2,000. I think mga
1.7, right?
1.7, 1.8,
100
100
ml.
ml na yun.
So pwede ito sa school.
Para
sa
siya,
mga
ano,
students and
I feel like
office.
ganyan yung mga compliment getter for Filipinos.
Yes,
Yeah,
compliment
yeah.
getter to.
Kailangan ulit.
Oh, hindi lang siya kung fragile ka na talaga and you're looking for something new,
Yeah.
hindi na yun yung hahanapin mo.
Oh, pero yun nga, 'di ba? I mean, Greg has an extensive collection of very diverse. Would you still parang mahirap nang pulutin yun sa collection mo, no?
Hindi. Ito nasa ko yan, gym sense ko yan.
Gym set.
Yeah.
Yeah, gym.
Yeah.
Super.
Gusto ko kasi minsan yung pag yung,
napaghalataan ko sino hindi nagji-gym dito.
yeah.
Alright, rating.
Alright, rate.
8.5.
Okay.
I'd buy it.
Yeah.
7.5.
8.5.
I would say it's a 7. Solid 7.
Solid 7.
Yeah.
It's good overall. It's good.
Nice, good.
Yeah.
Next is
Ito hindi ko to alam.
Shaka Shadow.
Shaka
The Black.
Shaka Shadow.
Shaka
Oh,
Shadow.
this one
can you describe what ano yung initial na napipick up ko?
Anong note yun?
These are
Fruity ba?
parang fruity citruses. Parang citruses, juicy citruses, fruits.
It's
This
weirdly
one is CH Cobalt. Ilagay ko lang sa screen.
It's weirdly good, bro.
It's good, bro.
Alam ko
It's
pineapple.
It's weirdly
it's
good.
bro. It's good.
Can I look it up? Can I look it up?
Go.
Honestly, but the type of fruity that can be cloying in high heat.
Yeah,
Sobrang
that's
bango.
true, yeah.
Ang bango.
So this one is in a more parang better siya gamitin siguro sa indoors. Although it's okay naman for summer. I mean, yeah, pero yeah, because of the sweetness, no.
Pero this is more of like a summer
Oh, guys, we
nighttime.
are wrong.
Yeah,
This-
summer nighttime, correct.
Yeah.
Sorry, we're wrong.
Okay
This is
tayo.
Cobalt Elixir.
Yeah, there, yun.
Ito si Cobalt. So it's lavender and citruses, grapefruit, lavender, amber, but there's moss and patchouli.
Walang pineapple?
There's no pineapple. There's plum. Baka plum.
Yeah,
yun
yeah.
yung plum.
Yun yung
Yung
sweetness
sinasabi
siguro.
ni might be the cloying one. It's super thick eh.
Proof!
But I
Proof na hindi kami legit review.
Hindi ako cloying dito.
Hindi ako nakaka-cloying.
Ang sarap
It's the
niya for me.
lavender. For me. It's the lavender.
Lavender.
Pag lavender, it gets cloying for me in high heat.
Gets.
Wait lang.
so-
Alam mo, mas gumanda siya.
Sobrang fresh niya, bro.
Mas
Sobrang
gumanda siya
sarap.
ngayon. Amoy natin.
Mas prefer ko to compared sa blue.
Same.
Ako din.
Same.
I like the
Ako
blue
din.
one better.
Really?
Really na? Okay.
Alright.
Mas gusto ko to.
So, ako naman, na-discuss ko ito before, na-try ko na lahat ng Shaka nung nandun ako sa Kadlaj sa Dubai.
Kadlaj mismo, no?
Yes. Ito talaga favorite ko. This is my
Subtle flex lang.
subtle flex.
Hindi, guys. If this video reaches 100 likes, dadaling kami ni Greg sa Dubai.
Kadlaj.
Kadlaj.
If this video reached 100,000 views, bring us there.
Of course.
Hindi, but this is my number one.
Sa Shaka.
In
I can
Shaka.
see why. I can see
Uy,
why.
meron
It's
pang...
so
uy,
good.
Meron pang isa.
Yeah. But,
Spoiler.
well, spoiler, anyway, kasi alam ko na lahat yan eh. So,
Okay.
Anyway, but that's just me. That's just me. How about you?
Bro, it's weirdly good. Kakaiba siya. So, I think what I'm picking up is the plum,
Okay.
lavender, and citrus. Bro, I like it.
Okay.
I like it.
I like
Same.
it.
I like it.
this
It's
one
so
too,
good.
It's so good.
I like it.
So, rate.
Wait, I want to know before we rate. So, if the blue one is for professional setting, students' office,
This one is more of like a
this-
corporate guy, I would say.
corporate guy, ikaw, Shibib. Ito si Shibib yung description niya, ano? Kasi siya yung nakaisip kanina ng finance
Honestly,
guy eh.
nawawala na eh. Kaya wala nang mo pick up. Like, na-nose blind na ako. So, pa-spray na lang ako.
Sige.
Nawala na
Sige,
siya.
habang
Common.
ini-spray niya, ako what I see is a versatile, could be office, could be date night scent, could
Date
be
night.
gimmick sa gabi,
Yeah.
fragrance, you know.
Hindi ko alam kung mag-agree kayo, pero this acts the same
Uy,
as Aventus.
Ang bigat nito.
Gets.
Yeah.
Pwede.
Diba?
It's just fruity. And
Yeah,
that,
it acts the same as okay? Doesn't smell like the
Doesn't
same.
smell like- yes.
Pero
Guys,
it
sorry,
acts the
may-
same.
guys,
Kasi ito,
Si
hindi nyo alam
Aventus,
kasi.
si Aventus Glazer nag-react. Then wait lang. Oy guys, ngayon ko lang hinawakan to. Ang bigat pala
Yeah,
nito.
yeah.
Hefty.
Yeah, solid bottle to.
Very
Solid
hefty,
bottle.
solid.
bottles, di ba? Kasi
It's good,
ito
ah.
luma to eh. Ito luma.
Ito, ang bigat oh.
Yeah,
Bago.
it's a new bottle, yes.
Bigat, ano?
Yeah.
Mas solid siya.
Mas solid siya, yeah.
For me, yung magsusot niyan will be two extremes. First is the lover boy.
Okay.
The one who takes his girl out to dates, doesn't ask.
Yan yung
Doesn't
lover boy
ask,
na may
like,
budget.
may budget. Doesn't ask
Budget
like,
talaga.
babe, saan tayo? No. He plans.
No.
Second extreme is the F-boy. Smells like a guy who goes to the clubs every night.
Yes.
And
Yeah,
Pwede yan.
picks up the first woman na makita niya, doesn't hesitate, goes straight to it.
Gets.
Yung may mga nag-aabang, yung mga owl, yung mga...
Yung mga ganun bro, yung mga...
So, what's your rating?
Ako is 10 out of 10.
Really? This
Yeah, I love it. I love it.
Okay.
It's so much better on skin, bro. Like, mas gusto ko na siya ngayon compared sa blue.
Yeah?
Compared sa blue. Ako din, yung black over blue. But this is 8 for me. I still... Number 1 ko pa rin si Island Dreams.
Island Dreams.
Ikaw, number 1 mo na.
Shaka
ito
Black.
na.
Shaka Shadow, yeah.
Okay, ikaw?
I would
Rate-
still, this is something that I would wear still, pero mas wearable pa rin sa akin yung
What's your
other
rating
thing.
for-
So that is like an 8.8.
8.8.
Yeah.
Ikaw.
A solid 8, but number 1 ko pa rin si Island Dreams. What's
Ikaw.
your current top 1 before we cut?
Current top 1, Island Dreams pa rin. But this one gets a score of 8.69.
Oh
Perfect.
my God. So yung dinidescribe ni...
Perfect.
Yung dinidescribe kanina ni Shibib na he plans but he's a fuckboy.
Parang that's your two
The duality.
sides.
The duality
The
of
duality,
humanity.
no? Alter ego. Pag nakaganyan, hi babe, saan mo gusto kumain? Gab, may chicks ba dyan?
It has the same behavior as Aventus, where pwede mo siyang suotin like, come on, dude. Like,
Oh,
explain.
no.
Not
Finish,
the same.
finish and then
Okay.
I'll explain. Finish.
Parang pwede mo siyang suotin kung paano mo suotin yung Aventus.
Just like a Swiss Army knife, pwede siya kahit saan.
Exactly,
pwede siya
exactly.
Wait, gusto ko marinig si Shibib.
Okay,
Kanina pa
ano yung
siya-
rebuttal mo? Ano yung
Okay, so
rebuttal mo?
as an Aventus glazer, I know that Aventus is one of the most overworn, overhyped, over everything, but there's a reason why there's a cult for Aventus. Okay?
Yeah.
For me, the reason why it's not applicable for Aventus is because Aventus, when you wear it, it's the type of fragrance that makes you feel like you command the room. This doesn't give that. This, however, is still pretty good, huh? I'm not discrediting how good it is. It's so fucking good that I
so
want to
good.
buy it right now. But it's the type to seduce. It's more of like,
Ah,
hey, let me
yeah,
seduce
yeah,
you.
But I would say
Let's
like,
make love.
maganda yung
Parang
ano
ganun. But
maganda
Aventus is
yung-
like, listen to me. Parang
So
ganun.
yeah, I
Gets,
get.
gets.
Di ba cherry and plum, they're kind of in the same family. Purple.
Yeah.
Yung, di ba cherry is sexy?
Yeah.
So I think the plum
So I
here.
would say na parang,
I would say this is like,
medyo ganun, but,
Yeah.
but,
More playful.
Aventus can do what this can do, but this can't
Cannot, okay.
Do what
Can
Aventus
can do.
Guys,
Okay,
sabi
I
sa inyo,
get
huwag kayong
that.
magsasalita against Aventus eh.
Arwin, back me up in the comments, Arwin.
Oy, shout out Big Bam ah. Big Bam. Shout out.
Siguro like if yung Aventus is like a necktie with a Windsor knot. Ito naman walang neckties,
Di na namin,
tatlong botones.
di na namin alam ni Greg yung Windsor na yan.
It's like ano yung mga necktie knot. Ganun.
Si Greg kasi hindi niya
Parang
alam.
makapal.
Si Greg kasi pag may nakalagay, hinuhubad niya na yan eh.
Pero ito naman like tatlong botones na nakatanggal. Ganon, like more play.
Yan,
Like ano
maganda.
yun sa 50 Shades?
Shades of Grey.
Si Grey?
Si Gray, Mr. Gray.
Yeah, but
Si
exactly.
Gray Parilla.
Si Gray Parilla. Christian Gray Parilla.
Christian Grey.
Uy, pwede ka maging Christian Grey ng Pinas,
Pag wala na akong chan. Pag may abs na ako.
Okay.
Kalindog.
Okay,
I think this is the perfect time to announce na. Guys, abangan nyo yung Greg 2.0. Abangan nyo yan, guys.
Pressure ako niyan, Brad.
Hindi, accountability yun.
Accountability.
Hindi lang may
Okay.
promise pa tayo sa isa't isa.
Oo nga.
Kaka-cheat day ko lang kahapon eh.
Oh, ito na.
Excited, yeah.
Okay.
The
Next
Meteor,
natin.
right?
Ha?
Meteor?
Is this
Yeah,
one of the,
Meteor.
yung bestseller din nila to, di ba?
Next natin is Shiaka Snow.
Yeah,
This is
si
a
Shiaka
clone of LV
Meteor.
Meteor. How do you pronounce
Meteor
it?
eh.
Meteor. Kasi ano,
Meteor lang,
parang,
meteor lang ata.
Yun yung may pagganon sa I eh. Paano ba yun? Meteor-E, Meteor-A.
Parang
Meteor-A.
Meteor siya pag may ganun eh.
Baka ano.
Okay.
This is, fresh
This is the
citrus
newest
aquatic.
from Shiaka.
Yeah.
Super
So,
floral.
mabango siya, mabango.
Mabango siya.
Super floral.
Ganda.
Yeah, so,
Clean, citrus floral.
yeah,
Same
yung sweetness niya coming from the citrus and the florals. So,
Yes,
it's
yes,
good.
Same
Grabe.
lang, parang same family sila ni 724, MFK.
724, 724.
Diba?
I'd wear this in the gym, bro.
Yeah, pwede
yeah,
siya sa gym. Sobrang linis.
This is something that you would wear kapag ano, if you like cardigans.
This is true, G.
Ha?
Yeah, I haven't smelled the OG.
I had, I think I
Decan.
still have parang
Decan.
sampler nila. It is really similar. Yeah.
Yeah, super floral.
Can I just say, to those who want to try Cad Lodge, pag nakita niyo siya somewhere, don't spray it sa paper. It's so much better,
Better
sa
on skin, yeah.
Kasi kanina, sabi ko nga, di ba, naamoy ko na to. So, parang as a refresher, inamoy ko siya kanina before the podcast started. Ang bango talaga yun sa skin.
Mabango,
Hindi,
mabango sa
hindi mo
skin.
justify ng paper.
Yeah.
Yun yung isang trait ng aquatic. So this is fresh florals with aquatic. Sa aquatic, they don't do justice sa paper. Sa skin talaga. Ng aquatic. Tama ba Aqua Miles?
Yeah.
Diba?
So, yeah, this is a nice like to me what I imagine is a corporate guy
Yeah.
na naka white button down shirt,
office friendly.
office fragrance, tapos alam mo yung pero nagko-commute ka. Kasi ano pa siya eh, napapawisan pa siya sa biyahe, naarawan siya. Pero you wanna smell fresh and you wanna smell like you know, nag-work ka sa BGC. So you wanna smell like sa BGC ka nag-work.
You belong, yeah.
I would say this is a very a performative fragrance.
Interesting. Why?
Kasi like I imagine someone who uses he uses wired earphones.
May matcha.
May matcha.
May tote bag.
With tote bags and then
gets ko yung
reading
part
a
na yun.
book
Gets ko yung part na
with
yun.
a white or beige cardigan.
Bro, yung
okay,
yung
gets
guy na yan, hindi yan nagsiskinny jeans eh, di ba?
Di nag-skinny jeans.
Wide
bro.
trousers
Wide
to,
trousers.
White trousers
Gets ko
with
yun.
with matching
Loafers.
loafers.
Gets ko siya kasi parang ang sinasabi mo din sa
It's like
kasi
soft
parang
eh.
yeah, parang yun yung
Diba?
soft boy.
Soft
Soft
yeah.
boy scent. Yeah, I agree 100%.
Crush ng bayan, boy next door itsura.
Yeah.
Pero I think this is the type of perfume that people would steal.
Yes.
Aagawin niya sa ito. Aagawin
Yes.
sa ito ng family members mo, ng girlfriend mo.
Kasi it's unisex.
Yeah, it's
Very
unisex.
unisex. Very
It's
unisex.
Yeah. Pero why Meteor? Bakit Meteor yung tinawag sa LV?
I don't know.
Diba?
Kasi bro, kasi ganda na nangyari. Bale,
May iniisip si Bibs. Ano yun, diba?
Sabi, ang iniisip niya, tumatama na yung gamot ko.
Alam mo, di ka mali doon.
mamaya bro na again.
Hindi, alam mo ba't Meteor? Kasi inspired to sa mga dinosaur spray. Nung panahon nung dating panahon.
Ipilit mo yan, ha?
Oh, bro.
Kailangan
mga top
tumama
grade
yan, ha?
dinosaur
Same,
spray,
bro.
ganito yung amoy nila.
Tsaka kasi bro, biblically si Adam and Eve.
Sige, isa ka ba? Ipilit mo,
Bro,
ipilit mo.
diba, nasa isip ko lang yung Meteor Garden. Ito yung mga amoy nila.
Diba?
Oh, baby, baby,
Ang bago
baby.
na, diba? Ang lalim nila.
ang gugwapo nila, guys. Diba, yung matura nila. Ito yung amoy nila. Ito, si Dao Ming Se.
Daming sa.
Dao Ming Se.
Okay, so...
Hindi, para sa akin, mas amoy ano to. Si Vanessa, pre.
Si Vanessa yung long hair.
Oh, yung long hair.
Vanessa.
Si Daoming So, feeling ko mag-ano yun eh.
Iba.
Yung black.
Iba.
Hindi,
Sauvage.
pre, yung black.
Yung black.
Yung black. Yeah.
Tapos yung kadebal niya na isa, yung blue.
Yung blue.
Oo.
Pwede.
Guys, na paghahalitan yung edad natin.
Okay, 1 to 10.
Rating. I would say this is right up in my alley.
Me too,
Yeah,
bro.
it's like it's a solid 9.5.
Nice.
I'll steal your rating. I'll do the same. 9.5.
Yeah, 9.5.
Ako, 8.7.
I'll give it an 8.
An
Okay.
8?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, that's
Oh,
nice.
rank 1 ko pa rin si Island Dreams. Island Dreams?
Alam din si
Ako,
Siya yung black,
shadow
yeah.
pa rin ako.
Ito rivaling to sa Island Dreams.
Next natin, Musk Ice. This is private blend. I believe these are not inspired anymore.
Okay.
Yeah, but correct me if I'm wrong, right?
Grabe, alam mo, hinawakan ko to kanina. Ang gaan na lang, ah.
Marami nang
Gamit na gamit mo yan, ah.
This was sent to
Namats,
me by Kadlaj actually last year pa.
Wow. Kadlaj.
Hi, Kadlaj.
At Gabriel Muyer na tito.
Kadlaj.
Miss Andrea, pakigalaw po ang baso.
Kadlaj, we follow each other on TikTok.
Guys,
At- at
me
Gab-
too, ah. Ay,
at Gabriel
By the
mo
way,
yan.
guys, yung mga email address naman natin, nasa bio lang natin.
At
di ba? Nasa bio
Gabriel,
lang
at
natin.
Gabriel Muyer.
I'm going to glaze the hell out of this.
Alright, go.
This is, anong pangalan ulit? Musk Ice?
Musk Ice. This is Musk Ice.
Oh, I get why it's called Musk Ice.
Ang bango.
Bango siya, bango siya.
Dito na kasi mga trip ko ngayon, Greg.
Talaga?
Same bro. Yung
Clean,
mga skin,
musky,
skin
skin
scent.
scent, not too loud, di ba?
Yeah.
Yeah. Bango, bango niya. Bango niya.
Kaning ganyan.
I believe
Nagkakabentahan na dito, guys.
Wala pa to kasi available sa Pilipinas, but I'm nakausap ko na yung Kadlaj. I already talked to Kadlaj, and so they plan to put a shop sa Philippines, so I'm pretty sure magkakaroon tayo niyan sa Philippines, but
Nice.
sana Kadlaj, please make it faster. Please be here in the Philippines as soon as you can, because
siya.
this line, the private blend, these are good. These are really high quality. And these are super long lasting, by the way.
This is so clean, bro.
Yeah.
It is clean.
So clean.
These are fragrances that I would spray on my pillow.
Oh, yeah. So, parang pwede siya sa pillow mo, just
Yes.
yung experience mo sa bed, mas
Yeah, mas
Yeah.
calming lang.
Mas
Ang
calming,
linis lang yan, no?
calming. Ang linis niya.
Pero malinis pero bright, no?
Exactly.
It's bright. And not, bright, that's not scratchy, ah.
Creamy
Alam mo,
florals.
yung iba kasi scratchy sa nose. This one is not.
This one's so smooth.
Creamy florals.
It is so smooth.
I can bet 1,000 pesos na pag ito sinuot mo, mako-compliment ka ng babae.
Yeah.
Wait lang, I wanna see what, ano yung kamoy niya.
So good.
Good.
So, sorry ah.
Go, spray.
I couldn't help my...
Musk
This
Ice.
This
Musk
is
Ice,
one of
ah.
those fragrances talaga na,
It's
wow,
so
ano
damn
yung amoy
good,
mo?
bro.
So good.
I feel like mas mabango yan sa hangin though.
Sorry, I have a new top
kasi
one.
mas
Oh my gosh!
I have a new
diffused,
top one.
mas nagme-mellow down yung... Kasi there's...
Ang bango, diba?
Meron kasi itong konting tapang din eh.
Yeah.
So,
Oh my God!
Magme-mellow down siya sa ano.
Oo nga,
I
no.
think this is Dior Homme.
This is Valaya!
Huh?
Valaya!
Oh, wait. You have to double check because I'm not sure if this is released. Sino nauna?
Oh, okay, wait. Let's see,
Yeah.
ChatGPT na yan. Pag ganyan.
Guys, this might be Valaya nga.
Let's see.
Bro, alam mo pag spray ko kanina, sabi ko, this smells like, di ba sinabi mo kasi na it's an original creation. So, tapos pag spray ko, sabi ko, this is so familiar. Pero
This is
I was
familiar,
blocking
okay.
out whatever
I mean,
it is
sabi ko
na
nga,
parang
I could be wrong. I don't know.
Yeah.
So that's how you know, guys. We don't like research about it. Like,
Yeah, oh my God.
Just
So,
just
hindi
first
natin
impression.
ginagawa yan.
Just first impression.
Musk Ice. So, yeah, I double-checked it. This is Valaya.
Pero kailan lang launch niya?
Hindi ko
Kailan
alam.
din-launch ang Balaya? Can you counter ano?
Oh my God, alam mo, ngayon ko napagtanto na yung
Actually, oo
yung
nga, no?
hype sa Valaya, deserve. Real, no? Deserve, bro.
But this is,
Yeah.
I don't know, kasi kami ni Aaron, di namin type yung Balaya.
Oh,
masyado.
maybe.
Pero,
But this is way smoother.
naamoy mo na ba yung balaya?
Meron kami sa bahay.
Okay.
Pero alam mo, I'm not the biggest fan of Balaya nga.
Same.
Kaya hindi.
Same.
So, oh my God, Kadlaj, I like this better, ah. I like this better. Alam mo.
Yeah. I do understand if this is better than Balaya. Yeah.
So, here's the, Parfums de Marley Valaya came first. Kasi
Okay.
it was, Valaya was released in 2023.
Okay.
Tapos Musk Ice was released
Last year,
around
2024.
2024.
Got it.
Okay.
Well, it
if
could
that's
be.
the case, if hindi siya kamoy, may twist, mas na-appreciate ko to.
Mas
As-
na-appreciate ko to. Same.
As someone na hindi fan ng Valaya.
Balaya. Same.
Pero I just want to raise this one thing kasi nga usually iniisip ng mga tao na okay, since this is supposed to smell like this pero malayo siya and may twist, it's
Okay,
bad.
yeah.
No,
No.
absolutely
I'm
not.
done na sa pag-compare na gano'n. To my nose, if it's good, i-judge ko siya by gano'n.
Doon lang siya.
Yeah,
Doon lang
like
siya. Wag na siya.
regardless if it's supposed to smell like Valaya tapos malayo,
True.
don't say na it's bad if it really smells good.
True.
Diba?
Yes.
I agree.
Yeah,
Alright, okay.
It wouldn't be, if you have Valaya, it's not gonna be redundant in my opinion.
Yeah, it's
correct.
not
Hindi siya
redundant.
talaga sobrang ano eh.
Meaning, kung may Valaya kayo, pwede pa kayong bumili nito.
True.
And it's...
Bango.
Bango niya.
So, yeah. Before
No?
we rate, yeah, I yung ice niya na concept, feeling ko yun yung twist. Like they made it more
Mintier, no?
cooler. Yeah,
Cooler.
mintier, cooler smelling.
Yeah.
Cooler smelling, yeah. So, Yeah.
Ang lakas nga nito.
Bango, bro.
Well, yeah, take it from me, take it from us. It
Ang
is
lakas.
really long lasting.
Bango.
Gotta
Ang
take a
lakas.
photo of it, Craig. It's really that good. I'm
Guys,
sorry.
Yeah, so-
nasa podcast to.
So,
Nagsha-shopping na si Shibib, ba?
So while you take a photo, how do you rate it?
This is a 9 for me.
9, okay.
Yeah. Again, same with ano ulit yun? The Shayaka white one.
Yeah, kawaii, yeah.
Diba? Parang same ano sila eh, same vibe sila.
X-straight to?
Straight, yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ang
I
lakas.
give it a 8.5.
Yeah,
15
for me
daw.
too, 8.5.
Ikaw?
Yeah.
15.
50.
Okay.
It's so good. It's
So may
Okay.
number 1 ka na.
Bro, ganyan talaga amats ko ngayon. Yung mga soft-smelling,
Diba?
ano.
Diba?
It's so good. It's
Diba?
so
Ang
damn
bango.
good.
Nice.
Bango niya. Uy, ang ganda ng bote ng private blend, guys.
Bigat pati.
Oo.
Okay.
Alright.
Next one.
Next one is...
Uy, ang ganda ng bote niya na, yung hawak mo ngayon.
This one is Musk Blend. And by the
That
way,
doesn't lie.
Oh,
by the way, this is our second bottle.
oh, it's that good,
The
bro.
dead doesn't lie. The
It's
dead
that
doesn't
I'm
lie.
happy that I was able to go back to Dubai last year kasi
It's
doon ko
that
nakuha
good.
to sa kanila. So thank you po sa inyo.
It's that good, bro.
Okay, lalayo ko muna ilong ko para ayaw kumamoy.
Gustong-gusto nga niya, tinipid niya yung pag-spray. Nakita ko eh.
Okay.
Okay.
Solid.
Bango.
Oh my God.
Mabango.
Anong fruit to? Anong fruit?
No, it's just musk.
Oh, really?
It's just musk.
That's so clean din.
Tapos naglagay ka ng alcohol, that's it.
Oh my God. So,
Again, skin scent.
That's
powdery siya.
Yep.
This is my new number 1.
It is like a white musk in a smoother and more
Okay.
skin like more totoong skin like scent.
Yeah.
Para siyang pink na sabon, pink rose. Ang bango nito.
So good.
Alam mo yung
This is
invitation
my
ko dito,
number
pre?
one.
You know those Salcedo girlies?
Yeah.
Close your eyes right now.
Nasaan sila?
Close your eyes. Nasa Salcedo
Okay.
kayo. Nakasalubong mo yung
Salcedo
girly
girlies.
mo na kadate mo doon. Hinawakan mo yung braso niya. Inamoy mo yung balat. Ganito.
Yeah.
Oh, para siyang
Pwede,
That is
pwede.
oddly specific.
Ganun si Shibib. Pumupunta siya ng Salcedo na nakapikit tapos unan niya mahawakan.
Mali yung hinawa. Mali yung hinawakan.
Ang nahawakan niya yung ice cream vendor.
Alam mo yung bro, mga gabing-gabi, naglalakad ka lang babae ka. Tapos biglang may naggumagano na lalaki.
Uy, pero legit para siyang yung mga bar soap na pink. Ang bango nito.
It's very
May-
clean lang.
May rose ba to?
I think wala. Kung meron man, very, very...
Very light lang.
Light.
Ang bango. It's my new number
But-
1 and magkano yan, Greg?
Honestly, kasi wala tayo sa Pilipinas. I don't
Ay,
know.
wala sa Pilipinas to.
Wala pa. So, again, guys, look, tinan mo. Kadlaj, again, bring your products here in the Philippines.
We
okay?
can't wait. We can't wait. Listen, if you bring your products here, we'll take care of it.
Alright,
Yeah.
ito
So, brother.
Wait, I have a challenge lang before, no?
Ano?
So you have it on paper, no? Try it on skin.
Oh my God.
So, guys, this will be my first Kadlaj.
Wait, let me.
This will be my
flex
first
myself.
Kadlaj.
Actually, that was something na gusto kong
Adrian,
sabihin.
flexing the sub.
Tama ba?
This will be my first
something
Kadlaj.
That's something na gusto kong sabihin kasi nga musk changes sa balat.
Mas maganda to sa balat.
So clean.
Oh my God, this will be my first Kadlaj, guys. Kadlaj!
Oh wow.
Why
Grabe
are
to.
you not here yet?
Grabe to.
Wait.
Bango
This
niya.
is your skin but better.
Mabango na siya sa paper. Mas bumango
Mas mabango
pa sa
siya.
ano.
I told you.
Ganito ba? Like, medyo like creamy. No.
Sarap po.
Awit mo.
Pero ano siya, di ba? Yung mga ganito, it's better on skin than clothes, ah.
Probably
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
maganda siya pag nag-mix pa siya sa balat
Ito
mo.
yung mga fragrances na nagbabago siya. Depende sa balat.
Yeah.
Bro, I'll buy
That's
this.
true,
Greg,
that's true.
kung may access ka, I'll get one.
Di ko
Yeah.
ang creamy sa akin.
Kumo ko.
Yan naman talaga siya.
Kumo ko.
So, okay. Sabi ni Gab, creamy daw. Ganito kasi siya, guys.
Greg, pahawak ako.
You know, I'm exposed to a lot of Arab fragrances, Arab products, right? And I've smelled pure musk oil.
Oh my God.
And I know the quality. Basically, what you smell is musk oil translated lang into
Perfume.
perfume.
Kaya pala sabi
Kasi-
mo, must lang nilagyan alcohol.
Exactly. Kasi-
iba dito eh.
Yeah. Kasi yung alam nating mga musk na parang powdery white musk, hindi pa yun ang quality ng musk talaga. That's the quality we're talking about.
Huwag ka naman nabili yan.
That's given to me.
Adrian, lagyan mo. Adrian.
Lucky bastard.
Lucky bastard.
Greg, meron pa tong mga 18, 20 ml.
Oo, kaya pa yan.
Tig 10 ml lang kami ni
Dala
Shigod
na lang
yan.
ako ng decan.
Well, you know what?
Oy, hindi mo ma-divide sa tatlo yung 20. Pwede naman, pero hindi siya even.
Ako, hindi masyado magagalit yun, no?
Yung mukha niya na gano'n.
Uy, wag.
Yan talaga yan. Like,
Ang
sa aming
ganda.
dalawa, she's a musk girly.
Ang
Yeah.
ganda.
Wala akong kalahati ng debt nito sa'yo, Ate Ara.
She's a musk girly.
Hindi
Hindi, more than half.
Hindi, pangalawa na nito yung unang bote sa kanya.
Ang maganda pa dito, since it's just musk, you can layer it with other fragrances.
Ayun nga. Diba?
Di ba parang siya yung, parang enhancer
Parang
din to?
enhancer
You
siya.
know, you know
Wait.
what that reminds me of? Even though magkalayo sila ng amoy. Yung sa eccentric.
Yeah. Eccentric molecule, yeah.
That's ISO is super.
So,
diba?
super. So, parang my product masquerade.
Galing.
Fragrance enhancer.
Right?
Yeah. Alright. So, rate.
So good. Okay. Ngayong na kasi at first, para sa akin, sa paper, very sharp na musk lang siya. Honestly, I wasn't that impressed.
Yeah.
Pero nung inano ko
Skin,
sa
diba?
skin ko, I was like, whoa.
I told you.
It became buttery, became smooth, creamy.
Bango niya.
Again, this is a part of a part of my taste ngayon. I would say
yeah.
this is my first 10.
It's so funny, no?
Pare-pare tayong ganun ngayon, no?
There's like
my
levels
first
to
time.
being a fraghead, eh, no? You
Diba?
Wait lang, dati, naghahanap ka ng beast mode. Naghahanap ka
Yeah.
ng papansin.
Yeah.
This one is so good. This is
Yeah.
10 out of 10. My new top one.
You know
Yeah.
what's funny? You know what's funny? Greg's been there na eh. Para tinitingnan niya tayo na parang, yeah, I've been there.
Yeah.
I know what you're
Alam mo
talking
yung mga
about.
gusto na ni Greg ngayon?
Ano?
Mga Sauvage. Bumabalik na yun sa Sauvage.
Full circle, pre, no? Full circle.
Yun nga yung collector circle eh. Parang
Hindi,
yung
nakita ko
cycle.
nga si Greg nasa kanto. May dala-dalang Johnson's & Johnson's.
Mali. Juicy cologne.
De bro, ano ako, lactaseed ako bro.
Di mali,
Talaga
mali.
solid.
Di ba pag lalaki, yung pinakauna, Axe.
Hindi mali.
Inbrand ka, wag ka magulo.
Tama yun.
Ako eh. Hello,
Yung Axe na bago. Sasabihin ko dapat yung yung sa bench. Yung Atlantis.
I never liked that,
So,
though.
wait lang. So, okay. Giglaze ko lang talaga to ah. What you smell talaga right now is
Yes,
one of
it's
the
so
highest
nice.
quality musk perfume that you can smell.
Wow.
Kasi you can't get it in the Philippines. This type of quality of musk.
Wait lang, so
It's weird.
pag napunta yan dito, magkano
It is
kaya?
animalic musk.
Magkano kaya to pag napunta dito?
I'm thinking it's around 2,500 to 3,000 pesos.
Ganun no? It really
Yeah.
reflects the price.
It's weird kasi, alam mo yung pag ini-inhale mo, ano siya, smooth, creamy musk. Pero pag nag-exhale ka, it's like, for me white chocolate.
Kasi because of that,
I see what
because
you
of the
mean.
buttery smoothness.
I
niya.
see what you mean, yeah.
Kasi yun nga, yung sinasabi ko, yung mga sinasabi itong musk or white musk sa Pilipinas, di ba parang body shop white musk, di ba, na parang powdery.
Yung parang baby.
This one is like, talagang smooth talaga siya na parang, alam mo yung parang balat mo talaga, parang balat ng hayop.
Ito ba yung galing sa puwet ng deer?
This is, okay, I'm not sure kung saan, don't quote me on this, but this is probably deer musk. So,
Deer
galing sa
musk.
balat ng deer. Sa
Sa
skin.
balat ba? Sinabi ko,
Huwag
puwet
naman sa
ng...
puwet. Oo. Sa balat naman.
Napagkahalata ang buto mesa.
Binigyan na naman. Guys, tap ako.
wait lang. Your score pala.
10.
This is a 10. This is my
10,
new top
10.
one.
That's gonna be my new top 2. So, it's around 13. Ganun.
Baka kasi 15 yung kanina.
15 yung kanina.
This is 10 for me, 10.
This is my new top one. It's a 10.
Bango, grabe.
Wait lang, si Jab.
Nagsabi rin siya.
10.
Is it your new
Yeah,
top one or?
it's my new top one.
Alright,
yeah.
we're the same.
Alright. Next is, ito, wala pa sa Pilipinas to. Tayo pala may ganito.
Parang mukhang Fougere
Okay.
yung
This
tsura.
is,
It looks like an
Kadlaj
Argos. It looks like an
Mansion.
Argos photo.
Mukhang galing sa mansion nga
it is
naman.
Mansion from Kadlaj.
Mukhang
And
galing
this
siya
is
sa
a
mansion.
clone of...
Pinahali ko.
Dior Sauvage.
oh
Oh my God.
This is a clone of
Amouage.
Angel Share Paradise.
Okay.
Ooh, raspberry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yup. Oh my
Yeah.
God. Okay.
Yep.
Alright. Yeah, it's good.
Hindi pa to masyadong pinupush ni Kadlaj.
Wow.
Pero this is more fruity
This is
than the
fruitier.
OG.
Yeah. This is
Fruitier than OG. So
Ano
if you
yung
like it more fruity, get this.
Ano yung sinabi ko nung yung nasa Rayhan? Yung Valhalla.
Valhalla, yeah.
Pangkantutan to bro.
Yeah. Ito rin yun.
Bango gago.
Hindi,
Babalik
mali
ko,
ka.
bro.
Mali ka. Pang round 2 na to eh.
Oo, bro, pag-round to na to bro. Babalik ko bro.
Ang bango niya. It's fruitier. Sobrang
Bango, no?
sobrang obvious na it's fruitier than the OG.
It's still boozy, right?
Yung suot ng lalaki, nafe-feel ko na yung kamay, gumaganon sa akin.
Wait, tanga. Pag lalaki yung may suot, nafe-feel ko na yung guy, wait lang. gayong gumagano
alam mo
sa'yo.
yung gumagano sa'yo yung kamay niya.
Sorry. What I mean is, kapag yung lalaki, may suot niya to, na-imagine ko na yung kamay ng babae. As if, kunwari suot ko.
Akala ko
Ay,
Parang she wants you.
She wants
Now and now.
So for the sellers natin sa mga nagbebenta ng mga perfumes, no, ME, get this. This is really good.
Yeah, lalo na yung angel share DNA is very mass appealing, mass pleasing. So,
Although, I bet marami ng tao na napapagod na sa DNA ng Angel Share. And if napapagod ka na, go
Ito
try
na.
the Paradise.
kasi tulad ng
Ito na
sinabi
yun.
ni Greg, the raspberry on top makes it more fun
Yeah.
to wear.
Yeah. More intimate, more sexy.
Yeah.
Tsaka di na siya kasing bigat nung original Angel Share because wala tong vanilla.
Yeah.
This is like a playful version of Angel Share.
That's what I'm
Very
last time.
very
This is a
playful.
more playful.
Parang mag-angel share ako ng 11:59 angel share. Pag sapit na ng 12, angel share paradise.
This is like the red lipstick of a guy. Parang ano, 'di ba, may wala kasing alternative yung red lipstick sa babae.
Yun
with
yung
the red
indicator
lips.
na lalandi ka na.
Yes.
Gets. Nice. Okay, rate from 1 to 10.
9.5.
9.5.
Same with Adrian, 9.5.
Same.
Yeah.
12. Na-dethrone na si ano, bro.
Oh.
Tanggal na si...
Bro,
Sino,
alam
sino?
mo to, bro, 10 lang tayo.
Gusto ko siya yung siya lang yung lumalampas ng 10.
Ako lang. Alam niya naman, Mr.
Wait lang, so wala na si
Mr.
Island
Joey.
Dream sa'yo.
Wala na.
Ito na.
We have another one pala from the private blend. No? Balikan,
Okay.
Ay,
balikan
ang
ko
ganda
na
ng
lang.
bote.
Yeah.
Ang
This
ganda.
one is Tabak Extra. Tabak Extra.
And it's a dupe of...
It's a
Wait lang, sorry. Ang bango
Tobacco
talaga. Ang bango nung ano?
No?
Ang bango nung mask.
Mask.
Grabe, mask blend. Ang bango
Told
ng
you.
mask blend. Kasi nandito yung tester, tapos
Hanggang
kinuha ko,
pag-uwi nyo
inamoy
yan.
ko na naman.
Hanggang pag-uwi nyo yan.
Ang bango niya, bro.
Kadlodge, baka naman
Kad-
Gabriel mo yung
Greg,
art.
if may access ka, kuha mo ako isa.
Guys, Kadlaj, Team Kadlaj, okay, go to the Philippines.
Kadlash, if may papadala kay sa akin, ako na magbabayad ng shipping fee.
Ganun din sa akin, Andrea. Andrea,
So we have another private blend.
Yeah, private blend. This is Tabak Extra.
Tabak extra.
Paki-check na lang kasi I forgot kung saan siya.
The time?
Yeah. Pa-check
Wait.
na lang kung saan siya inspired. Kasi
Whoa, wait.
Oh,
Familiar
this
to.
is, wait lang ha.
Familiar to.
Tabak extract. Let's see.
kasi alam ko to eh.
Familiar
Amoy
to,
mafia
familiar
boss,
to.
pre.
Familiar to.
Yeah, this one is a boss. It's a mafia boss.
Super
Mafia
familiar.
boss.
Solid.
How much ba to?
Tobacco for sure. Sarap talaga, solid.
Ang bango, no? Ano to?
Actually, nung pinadala na sa akin to lahat nung una, first
Wait.
impression ko, this was my first favorite. Tabak Extra.
Tabak extra.
Sinners mo na. Ano?
Tabak extra.
Anong
Yeah.
reminds me of what?
So it's Mancera Red Tobacco, but not similar. It's 50,
was about to say
50%.
Pero
It's not very red tobacco for
Hindi
me.
siya red tobacco
it's
eh.
not.
in the same family.
People,
It's the same
people,
family.
yeah, people are comparing it to Mancera's Red Tobacco, but only 50%.
Yeah, I agree.
Can I say something medyo hot take?
Mm.
Para siyang pinaghalong red tobacco and ombre leather for me.
Ombre leather.
I'm getting.
Okay.
Pwede
Yeah,
din
yeah,
siyang
yeah.
Carlisle.
Pwede rin
Oh, exactly.
Oh my
Ayun
God,
nga.
yeah.
Pwede
I was
siyang
about to say
Carlisle.
that.
Kabuzi
Carlisle,
ng Carlisle, yeah.
Kasi mas, unlike red tobacco na for me, wala siyang, kumbaga sa pagay, wala siyang linamnam. Yung Carlisle kasi, despite na tobacco siya, at spicy, may linamnam kasi yung Carlisle
Yeah,
for
yeah,
me.
yeah.
So
That's
this one, that's
because
what I
of
Are you
got.
the-
team
diba?
Are you team Carlisle or team red tobacco?
And Carlisle.
Carlisle ako. Carlisle. I love Carlisle.
Pero they're in the same family.
They're in the
Ano
same
yan
family.
Eh, ano
So-
yun, pamilya yun eh. Red Tobacco, Carlisle, Halfeti,
Herod.
Herod,
Herod,
tapos Triumph of Bacchus.
Tayo Bacchus, yeah.
Yeah.
So here are the notes: cinnamon, nutmeg, saffron, frankincense, tobacco, oud, patchouli, vanilla. So
Yeah.
yeah,
It
it's
is-
very
it
very
is-
dense. It's
it is
very
a
very
it is
dense.
a powerful
Yeah,
authority
very powerful.
fragrance.
This is not a tobacco na super heavy.
Hindi nga eh. Parang I think, siya, very smooth siya for me.
Very smooth. And
Alam
medyo
niyo,
light
for
siya.
me, may hint siya nung, alam niyo, amoy ng yung Marlboro kunwari, tapos ginaganon mo yung dulo ng stick. Gawain ko kasi.
Gets.
Bubuksan ko tapos gaganyanin ko.
Ayun, medyo
I see what you mean. It's not that smoky.
Hindi siya very smoky.
Hindi siya
very
very smoky.
Yeah.
Oh,
Ano siya, hindi siya yung ignited tobacco.
Uy, mabango siya.
Mabango siya.
Mabango siya.
Oo, mabango siya.
Mabango siya.
Sabi ko nung dumating sa akin to last year, ang talagang tumatak sa akin, nag-number 1 sa akin was Tabak Extra.
Mabango siya. Oo.
Yeah, hindi ko pa agad na-appreciate nung time na yung mga mask kasi pa hindi ko pa era yun eh.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Bango like
10.
I'll rate this high.
Yeah.
Kasi this is something that you need in your collection.
Yes.
Yeah.
Kasi,
Totoo.
di ba, never mawala sa inyo yung mga fresh,
Freshy,
citrus,
but you don't have this, right?
date
Yeah,
nights.
yeah,
But
yeah,
this is
yeah.
something na na no-overlook kasi, okay, professional setting, I'll get an Aventus, I'll get a blue frag.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But this is good sa professional setting din. Like, on
Yes,
office set.
Definitely.
Yeah, for sure.
Ito na yung, di ba kanina nagko-commute? Ito wala ka.
Hindi pwede.
Naka ano na to? Naka Ford na to, bro. Naka Ford Everest na to, bro. Bango
Ano
niya.
yan, talagang I agree, it's a mafia boss. It's
It
a
is.
bad boy fragrance. It's a
Yeah.
bad boy fragrance.
This is a fragrance if you want to demand a room.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This, maganda to pandiinan talaga.
Pandiinan, bro.
Pandiinan siya,
Yep.
pang formal events.
Formal
And
events.
for me,
Yep.
ito yung amoy ng lalaki na yung date mo na dinala ka sa Wolfgang, pre.
May budget yan. Yan yung may budget.
Willing
budget.
maglabas ng 10 to 15K sa isang dinner.
Yep.
Okay.
It's good, ah.
It's good. It is good.
Mas mabango sa skin, pre.
It is
Pamay,
good.
pamay
Yeah,
sa'yo.
ang ganda sa skin. Ang ganda sa skin.
Pamay sa'yo, bro.
Tinano pa talaga yung boys.
Guys,
Magtatapat case mo.
hindi ko naamoy eh. Kasi malayo sa ilong ko. Tumaas siya nung nag-flex si Shibib. Gumanon yung skin.
Na-push ng muscle niya.
Tumalon, bro, eh. Gumanon.
Yung bango nito.
Abango talaga siya.
Grabe.
Okay, rate.
Ang hirap
It's
na, wait na nga, ang hirap eh. Kasi, ang bango nung mask, which is the opposite of this, soft, clean, silent.
I mean they can be
Tapos
both
ito,
like...
para silang parehas mabango, pero
Parehas
ang
na
layo,
mabango.
polar
Pero
opposite
they're
sila.
opposites, yeah.
I would
They're
say,
polar
hindi.
opposite.
I would say, yung musk, ito yung soft na asawa.
Yeah.
Ito naman yung demanding na lalaki. And they complement each other.
Yeah. Parang
Diba?
parang yung musk is the submissive one.
Yeah.
This one
yeah.
is yung masochista. Charot.
Alam mo yung alam mo yung amoy niyan para sa akin. pre?
Ah.
Yan yung amoy ng lalaking bibigyan ng magandang kasal yung magiging asawa niya.
Yun.
Kala ko ano bibigay sa kanya.
Akala ko, bibigyan ng 5 pitik with soft moves.
Oy, mali ka. 5 pitek with hard booms. Paano yung hard booms? Pause mo nga.
Okay, so 10 out of 10. Ano ba?
10 out of 10 din
I
ako
would say
dito.
it's, yeah, 10 out of 10, yeah.
Yeah, same
definitely.
Guys,
Same for me.
low-key if inaamoy nyo to in pub, if naamoy nyo to sa stores, pag there's an opportunity for you to try this, smell this twice. Give it a chance ulit.
Yeah.
Don't judge it right away.
I would say,
Ang bango
kasi
niya.
this is not a beginner safe
It's not
fragrance.
beginner safe.
No,
Yeah.
it's
But
definitely not.
you need to have it in your collection if you're a beginner.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Pangdiinan mo siya.
Ang bango
Once
nito.
you get deeper into
Isipin
collecting,
mo yun,
you would
diba?
appreciate this. Yeah.
Magsusuot ka ba ng Sauvage sa isang naka-suit up kayo na party?
No,
Di ba hindi?
no, definitely
Ganyan yung
not.
kailangan mo eh.
Yeah.
Oh, ratings nyo.
Rating.
Rating nyo, guys.
Ano ba extra?
10.
I'll do a 10. Oh, grabe, 10 sa lahat.
10 na tayo.
10.
First time na collectively na gano'n tayo.
Like 10.
Yes,
10.
10.
Walang 11, walang 12.
Wala.
Nope.
10. Alright. Tabak extra, lahat 10 kami.
Ang bango.
Yep. Next.
I like this.
Next is something also na hindi pa masyado pinag-uusapan. This is fairly new. It's
Desert.
called the Desert Rose.
Bro, I love rose.
Let's
I
see.
love
I
rose.
love
I
rose
love
too,
rose.
bro.
Desert rose.
Ang bango talaga.
Oh my God.
I like this.
Fudge.
Parang may
Uy.
kamoy.
Nagme-melt yung heart ko pag naamoy ko siya.
Uy, ang bango.
Smash.
Smash.
Pag nagsuot kayo ito, lumayo kayo kay Gab.
Smash kayo sa akin. Ako yung tao dun sa Salcedo yung kumukuha.
Sobrang bango. Sobrang bango.
Si Gab yung yung kumukuha ng babae sa Salcedo pero hindi nakapikit yung mata.
Oh.
Halika
Kasi
dito.
maghahanap talaga.
Halika rito.
Ay, ang bango nito.
Ang bango
So
talaga.
bakit siya desert? What
I
makes
don't
it a desert? Bango.
I don't know.
Okay,
Basta ang
research
ganda.
natin Search natin. Desert
Pero
rose.
ano siya, bro? Shampoo-y kind of
Shampoo-y.
rose. Yeah.
Shampoo-y. But there's still, unlike shampoo-y fragrances, na parang, parang sakto lang, malinis lang. But this one is, meron siyang sexiness.
Yes.
You know what's funny? Yung shampoo vibes niya gives it the vibe ng herba pura na hinaluan mo ng rose.
Rose, gets.
It is very
It is
fruity.
fruity
It is
rose
very
kasi. It is
fruity,
fruity
yeah.
rose.
Okay, so
Fruity rose musky. Yeah.
speaking of rose, speaking of fruit, the top notes are blackcurrant, lychee, and orange.
Sabi na may
So
Lychee.
from what I know, lychee makes it watery.
Yes, it is.
Pero yung lychee dito, hindi siya parang lychee na bright. Parang it's
It's
no?
more on the dense
Yeah,
lychee.
ang ganda nito.
Like unapologetic na lychee. Parang
Ang bango
it's
niya.
there as a actual note.
Ang
not a
ganda ng
supporting
combination
note.
ng blackcurrant at lychee. Ang ganda.
Ano ba merong black, ano ba yung blackcurrant pati lychee na fragrance? Cordial rose.
Cordial rose. I was about to say, it's cordial rose.
Diba?
Yeah.
Bango,
Bango, no?
Ang bango
Wait,
niya.
question. Do you think it's for men or for women?
Unisex for sure.
Yeah.
It is unisex.
Kasi ako,
Unisex,
I love
that.
I love rose, I'll wear this.
Pero
Pero
kung-
if hindi ako mahilig sa rose, I'll still wear this.
Conventionally, fem siya.
Yeah.
Conventionally.
Pero because of the, I think meron siyang parang certain, I don't know, is this parang earthy notes or woody notes? Meron siyang parang,
Creamy, no?
that makes it parang a little bit manly leaning.
Patchouli.
But again, it is patchouli.
The patchouli,
Well,
the slight earthy dirtiness.
Yeah.
nandyan.
Ginagamit din naman ng pambabae yung patchouli. But yeah, I agree
Yeah.
this is 100% unisex.
Yeah.
But yes, medyo traditional pag sabi mo,
May
rose,
traditional
parang
ano
pambabae.
siya fem siya. Pero, again,
But
like,
this is unisex.
yeah, unisex
Yeah, so the
definitely.
sweetness is coming from the vanilla and caramel.
There's a vanilla for sure, yes.
Ayun, may caramel ba?
May caramel.
May caramel. May
Okay,
Ah,
that's why may
that's
pagka-creamy
why.
ano siya. May creamy candied vibe siya.
That's
Yeah.
why.
Ang bango nito.
Sobrang okay, very trivia lang po Alam ko medyo privilege to but yun nga nasa Kadlaj store ako, excuse me.
Subtle flex.
Kadlaj in perfume souk in Dubai.
Okay.
Pre, gusto ko yung may pag-ganon siya.
Pag ganun ako.
yung parang, sorry.
sa mga nakapanood nung top 10 ko, actually, ano yun, parang pinapili talaga ako ni Kadlaj kung anong gusto mong iuwi.
Oy, flex ko lang din napanood ko yung video niya na yun.
O tapos, anong pinili mo?
So basically, lahat ng to, ito, kasama to sa top 10 ko. Kaya
Ang bango
talagang
niya.
mabango to.
Do you remember anong rank siya sa top 10 mo?
I forgot. But this is part of my top 5.
High siya sa ranking.
Kung di ako nagkakamali.
Mabango siya.
I
So,
just love Rose, bro.
It's so good.
I
It's so
love
good.
Rose.
How do you rate it?
I love Rose. Sorry,
It's 10 for me.
I keep
10 for
giving
me.
10.
10 ulit eh.
10,
10,
yeah,
but this
it
is
is
still
10.
a 10. This is still
It's so good you can't
Walang
like
glaze,
go
pre.
below
Walang
that.
glaze.
Siguro, ako, for me, I like a lighter rose. This is more of a jammy rose, eh.
It is a jammy rose.
Yeah.
Tama.
So I would say, since I still love Rose, I would say it's a 9.8.
I love a jammy Rose. Yeah.
So, muntik na tayong mag collective 10 but
Oo nga,
at least
tayong pangalawang
tatlong
10, 10, 10 lahat.
9.8.
But this is a 10 for me. Sorry, I keep giving 10. So good.
I mean, it's that good, you know.
It is really good. It is really good.
All right, ito, isa pa.
You know, it would have been a 10 if Gab was in touch with his feminine side.
So lahat tayo is in touch with our feminine side.
masculine man.
All right. This is also one of the newest from
Ooh,
from,
I love the
Is
bottle,
that the
bro.
design? Is that a
It is-
design?
look,
Design
I
niya?
love
the
Parang
bottle,
worn out,
bro.
parang rugged, parang damaged na
so
siya, no?
expensive looking.
Yeah.
Parang may gold na no?
Yeah.
Right?
Ang ganda.
Very chic, Very chic.
At ang bigat niyan,
Oh my God.
Parang
ano,
pwede ka.
It
makakasakit yan.
it weighs how much it looks.
Can I
Yeah.
see? Can I see?
Tara mo, tara mo.
Before we
Kasi bigat na ata ng
Oh,
dumbbell.
bro, mabigat nga. Mabigat.
By the way, namin ko yung mask.
Guys,
mask
sorry. Ay, namin mo. Guys, pag binoto ni Shibib, sorry, magaan, nag-physicalation na yan eh. Sabi niya, lightweight.
Easy. All right.
Wag inikot-ikot pa na, bro.
This is
Ganda ng kulay. Greg,
Nafais
Pakita mo yung kulay. Ang ganda.
Maghrib. Nafais Maghrib. Now, I don't know, nagawa ko to ng video, but, sige, mamaya na lang pala. Sila na muna mauna. And I believe, kung di ako nagkakamali, I think this was my top 1.
Oh. Ayun.
Kung di ako mali kung di ako mali sa
High
pagkakaalala ko.
expectations,
But,
Sige.
tama ba? Yan ba yung top 1 ko? I think that's my top. This is,
What am I
Or maybe-
smelling?
or may-
bango gagi.
What am
Diba?
I smelling?
know.
Hindi ko rin sure
I
kung
know.
ano yung naamoy ko.
Wait lang, so me and Gab are confused right
What's
now.
the name?
What are we
it's
smelling?
Nafais Maghrib.
It's
Can I
like
see?
spicy in a way. I'm
It
not
is
sure.
spicy. It is like musky and balsamic, but it is sweet.
Nafais.
Okay. So habang hinahanap mo siya because okay na sila nagkakagulo na sila sa sobrang
I-reset
bango.
ko lang yung ilong ka.
But I think this is hybrid or parang inspired by pa din pero may twist. But to me this is what I get. 50% of the scent is grape juice.
Okay.
50% of the scent is quite similar to MFK Gentle Fluidity Silver. I
Fluidity
get
silver.
that musky, parang balsamic, sweaty smell.
Yeah. Parang
Yeah.
parang camphoric cypress.
Oo.
I get the grape juice.
Oh
Yeah,
my God!
but it
Na-pick
is-
up ko bigla yung GFS.
Yeah.
Pero, hindi siya GFS talaga.
Hindi siya GFS.
May para siyang hints no? Parang
Pagka
Yes.
metallicness lang siya.
May metallic siya for sure, but it is clean.
The
But,
the ozonic quality ng GFS.
Yes,
nandyan.
yes.
but you can, do you detect that parang
May
a
sasabihin ako-
juicy the grape juice?
grape soda.
It is grape soda.
May
Grape
sasabi-
soda,
grape
yes.
soda.
May sasabihin ako na nakita ko dito sa notes na I want to know if maamoy nyo after I say it. Yung tropical fruits from Herbapura. Do you get it?
I-
Do you get it?
Siguro sa opening kanina.
Sa opening kanina.
Parang alam mo yung nandun siya pero ang layo niya.
Malayo siya.
Oo.
It's
In
on
the
it's at the
background.
back.
It's in
It's
the
at the back.
background. Oo.
Yeah. So, I'm sorry. I'm not the biggest fan of Herba Pura. This is good. If it's
Sobrang bango.
Siguro kasi it's predominantly like, meron ba siyang grape note?
Try sa skin.
Parang wala eh.
Pero meron nga siya ganong amoy.
meron
meron
grapefruit,
talaga.
grapefruit yuzu.
There you go.
Grapefruit yuzu and mandarin orange.
Pero like, hindi
there
siya
you go.
grapes. At like grapes.
Hindi
Hindi
siya
siya grapes,
grapefruit.
right?
Hindi siya grapes. Grapefruit.
Okay yung grape soda.
Kapag grape soda sa opening, bro.
Grape soda talaga siya.
Merong fizziness ng konti.
Wait, if I'm not
Yun
mistaken-
yung sinasabi mo GFS.
Yes.
The Sprite.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Eto nga parang ano siya.
Oo nga.
Meron... Go lang.
Uy, wait lang. Ano na amoy mo? Finolware mo na yung mask. Finolware mo na yung tobacco.
Ano ka, bro?
It's
Legit,
so good.
masarap.
I told you it's so good.
Bango nung ano.
diba?
Uy, alam mo, mas na-appreciate ko siya nung naamoy ko kay Shibib, ah.
Wow.
Ano siya?
Sorry.
Sige lang.
Meron din ako nakukuha, like one of the description that you can use as well is, alam mo yung yung non-alcoholic wine?
Yeah,
What do you call
yeah,
this?
yeah, yeah.
Sparkling wine.
Sparkling water.
Sparkling wine.
Uy, alam mo, Loki.
Sparkling wine.
Parang lahat na naamoy natin bangers, ha?
Bro,
May tapos ba sa Kadlaj?
We're not like glazing you, but
No.
your shit is good.
No. Grabe. Ito
like sa
kasi,
opening.
hindi ko pa ine-explore si Kadlaj. Hindi ko pa talaga sila ine-explore.
Well, one because they don't have a physical store.
Yeah,
here,
wala
right?
pa masyadong kadlaj
Well,
dito eh.
Pero, oh my gosh. Ang bango nito.
See?
Ito.
That's the effect of the Faiz Maghrib.
This was
Nakapatulala sila.
This was a 9 kanina sa paper nung naamoy ko in-spray ni Shibib.
But on
10.
dude,
Mashallah, alhamdulillah, brother. This one good.
this one is
Good, I
12
like
out of
this,
10 for
brother.
me. 12 out of 10 for me. 12 out of 10.
Oy, lumagpas ang 10, no?
Yeah. It's so good.
Wow.
Bro, ang
Like,
ganda
it's
niya,
a quality
My top
creation.
two, bro.
Bro, alam mo, hindi mo kasi i-expect na it's a tropical scent because
Because of how it looks.
But it is, I don't think it's a tropical scent. I see it as a, like, okay. So, for example, anniversary namin ng girlfriend ko. Tapos, it's 12
Fiancé.
midnight. Candlelight. Diba? Candlelight dinner.
Hawak lang ako dito.
Yeah, it's a candlelight dinner. Tapos, diba, it's very romantic, you know. That's what I see in this fragrance.
Really?
It's kasi hindi siya yung parang sobrang performance is really good by the way, but hindi siya yung parang obnoxiously loud
Yes.
fragrance.
Yes.
So you can use it on intimate occasions.
Later ako magpo-full.
Pero medyo malakas siya. Medyo malakas mag-project yan, but
Malakas
you know,
na siya.
Ang lakas, naamoy ko si Shibib,
Ay,
guys.
Shibib.
Naamoy ko si Shibib.
Okay, if you guys don't know, Shibib is Muslim. Okay, if you guys don't, okay, this is really good for you. Say wallah.
Wallahi, so good, bro.
Okay.
Oh, wala is promise.
You can't lie. No, you can't
Swear
lie. Like it's in the
Swear
name
to
of
Allah.
no.
Ah,
Yeah.
you can't lie.
Okay.
Can't lie.
It's
Rate.
good, it's good.
minus 12 out of 10.
9.5.
It's my new top 2. Pang top 3 na si Musk.
Okay.
First one yung sa Valayo.
Wait lang. Okay.
This is a 10 too. Yeah.
9.5. It's so good, bro. It's so good.
It's so good.
Yeah.
I usually hindi ako naglilin sa mga ganito ka-tropical, but ganda nito.
Hindi siya
That's
tropical
your,
eh.
but it's not tropical
Like
to
a
me.
date
It's
night,
not-
I would say.
Yun nga. So, sorry. Maybe I'm just basing it from the notes. It has tropical fruits. Pero yung
But how it
yung ginawa
smells,
niya,
diba?
so hindi siya naging tropical kasi yung tropical fruits na nilagay niya sa likod. Ang ganda. Ang ganda niya.
Tsaka nangibabaw talaga sa akin yung parang
Wait lang, ah.
wine, champagne niya na.
Right.
Yeah. Pero ang ganda na sinabi ni Greg dun sa GFS, the sparkly, the effervescent, the Sprite. Ang ganda nga, yun nga.
Bango.
Singilin mo na tong si Shibib, naka 30 sprays na to.
Next natin is Azure Velvet.
This looks like a
Azure.
Leighton clone,
Yeah.
bro.
Kamukha
It is
niya
a
para siyang
It is a
Layton.
Layton clone.
Ay, Layton yan?
Layton
Yeah.
talaga.
Leighton
Huli
clone.
pa lang ng bote.
Right off the bat, bro.
Wait, I love Layton, ha? I love Layton.
Yeah, me too, bro.
Apple,
Wait lang.
lavender.
Comment lang, ang lakas talaga ng musk blend na amoy ko
Naamoy mo sa
sa
akin?
skin mo.
Oh, yeah.
Bango.
I have a Layton at home. This one smells lighter.
Yeah, it is lighter.
Lighter.
It is lighter.
I
Way-
prefer
way lighter.
exclusive. I prefer
I
exclusive.
don't remember the
over-
smell
Mas
of
gusto ko pa rin yung OG.
exclusive, pero
Wait, na-miss ko yung Layton. Hindi ko naman masyadong ginagamit. Naamoy ko ngayon. Ang bango.
bango niya.
Oh, ang bango
I mean,
talaga.
ano siya eh. Ano nga siya eh.
What are
like,
the main notes of Layton? Apple, lavender,
apple,
vanilla.
Yeah.
Apple, cinnamon. May cinnamon
Nutmeg.
yun, diba?
Nutmeg.
Nutmeg pala,
Nutmeg.
nutmeg.
Yeah.
Vanilla.
Pero alam mo mabango siya. Pero yung mga inamoy natin kanina,
Mas mabango.
mas mababango talaga.
Yeah,
eh.
medyo
I think this is on the lower price, diba?
Yes, it is on
range.
lower price,
So,
probably.
yeah, so
Makita mo yung quality nung nag-iba.
nakita ko yung quality nung nag-iba. So, dun sa private blends, dun sa mga wala pa dito sa Philippines.
Yeah.
Meron na to sa Philippines eh.
Yeah.
Yung mga wala pa sa Philippines, it's much nicer.
Sorry
Grabe.
guys, sorry. So the reason why I said na parang it's
Lighter.
different is because exclusive to. Layton exclusive.
Exactly. Yeah, that was about, I was about to mention. Yeah.
Pero it is much lighter like in terms of like yung bigat ng scent niya.
Yeah, it's lighter. Kasi for me,
Yeah.
whenever I smell
nga.
Layton, I see a guy na nasa gabi.
Exclusive,
So-
exclusive to?
Yeah, exclusive.
I don't think so. Parang ang mas Layton siya.
Same.
Right?
Same. Kasi it has to kung exclusive siya,
It's more dense.
dapat mo
Tsaka
well,
meron
wait
siyang
lang.
almondilla.
dapat mas makapal tsaka mas smoky siya eh.
Yeah. Pero ayun, contrary to popular belief dun sa West na versatile to, I would say no.
No, it's not versatile sa Philippines.
No, in the
Pang
Philippines,
malamig
no.
talaga to.
May pinipili siyang oras yan.
Yeah.
Pinipili siyang oras yan.
Pero again, hindi siya kasing powerful ng mga originals.
Yeah.
Tama yung sinabi ni Shibs kanina. This is a much more lighter
Lighter, airier.
version, airier ganyan.
Yeah.
So I think no problem. Basta as long as indoor mo naman gagamitin.
Yes.
Well, the good
Or
thing about
malamig.
this being lighter is it can be worn
Pwede
better
dito,
in the
yeah.
Philippines. Eh.
Yeah. true, true.
Yeah.
So, well, for me, it's good, but
Rate mo.
buti na lang mas mura siya.
Yeah.
So, it really...
The price
yung
balances
quality
it
kasi,
out. Yeah.
naamoy natin kanina.
Yes,
Grabe
medyo.
yung mga...
Pala hinulit ko yung mga alam kong high quality.
Oh, ang bango niya eh. Ang bango ng iba. But this one still smells good, but this is a 7.5 for me.
Yeah, I would say it's a 6.5 for me.
6.5.
Yeah. I'm not.
Ikaw.
6.5.
7.
Okay,
Yeah.
fair.
Alright, next
Ah,
is
ano to?
Karus.
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 I've
Hindi
seen
Lagi
naman
ko
yan, hindi
nakikita
naman yan
tong bote na
cross.
to.
Nandito na to sa Pilipinas.
Not sure kung nasa Pilipinas na to.
Nakikita
Parang
ko na to
nakikita ko
eh.
sa
Kay
mga
ano,
content
kay
creators.
kay
Siguro.
Dubai Shop.
Mayroon na? Di good.
Yeah, I think so.
Go.
What's the name?
Very Karus.
Karus.
Very quick
Karug.
trivia about them.
Karug.
Iba yun.
Kaya pala yun.
Very quick trivia. Alam niyo ba? So galing kami ng Kadlaj office noon, tapos pauwi na kami ng Pilipinas. Shout out to Miss Andrea, hinabol niya lang talaga sa akin to. Like,
Oh, wow.
Wow. Miss
Because
Andrea,
why?
bait mo
Because
naman.
why? It was like yun yung time na medyo kalakasan talaga ng imagination. This is an imagination clone.
Oh. Ay, wait lang, Miss Andrea, ako hinabol mo si Greg. Miss Andrea, ang bagal kong tumakbo. Sobra. Pilay ako eh. Ang bagal ko. Hindi mo na ako kailangan habulin, Miss Andrea. Wait, this is exciting
And I
ha.
have to say it's
Imagination.
actually-
I love it, bro.
I have to say it's actually really good.
I love it.
Okay.
Again,
This DNA never fails talaga.
Feeling ko
Again.
nga underrated siyang imagination. to.
again, imagination over Pacific Chill, over Afternoon Swim.
Talaga, well,
Yep.
ako naman.
Afternoon swim
pa
to
rin ba
eh.
tayo?
I know.
Afternoon swim to. Wait for me, I'm team imagination din kasi talaga. Tama ka, underrated to Kasi ang,
Pero yung version
ang
na-
alam nating lahat, Marwa, hectic.
Yeah.
This is
Cobra.
underrated.
Cobra.
Mabango to.
Alright?
Ito ang
Pero this is
pinakamabangong version for me.
Oh.
Bro, I agree. Ito, I swear to God, I'm not glazing or anything.
I love
It's
this one, bro.
very light sa nose and it's also really... It has a cooling effect sa nose.
Yeah,
Diba?
correct.
Oh, oh shit.
Also, it
Alam mo
feels...
yung sinasabi mo?
Wala
Also,
to sa
it,
iba. Yung
also
ganung
it
effect.
feels alive to me.
Uy, alam mo.
Maybe because of the more... parang iba yung approach ng citrusas dito. I don't know. Basta
Yeah,
di ko
try on
ma-explain.
skin.
Basta it's much more...
Bro,
alive.
All over my body.
Bro, Greg is correct. Underrated.
Underrated siya.
Underrated. Oh, yan yung finulwer mo?
Yeah.
Hindi ko lang... Okay, baka magsabi sa audience na parang, Greg, bakit hindi mo kinontent? The thing is...
Gatekeeper si Greg. Joke lang.
The thing is, parang sa dami ng imagination, plus I'm not the biggest fan of imagination. Number 3, some people would just say na parang, hinahype mo lang yan eh. Alam mo yan?
No. Okay.
But I don't care, honestly. It's just that, yun nga, parang pagod na kasi ako ng imagination. So parang, kung anong makita mong
sobrang
imagination,
rami na rin, bro.
bilhin mo na lang.
Sobrang rami na rin.
Actually, yeah. So ako kasi, this is not the best imagination for me. Pero gustong-gusto ko to. Underrated. Tama yung sinabi ni Greg. This is underrated and I wanna know the performance. Kasi we all know Marwa. We all know Marwa. It's super close, but the performance really sucks. How much
Yeah.
to and anong performance
I
ito?
think wala rin, alam ko wala pang 2,000 yan eh.
Okay, Marwa is almost 3,000 na.
Yeah.
I like this better than Hirsch. I like this better than Marwa.
That's my top one, yung Hirsch 2. It's very underrated. It's my number 1 still, but this is close second.
Patry ako ng Hirsch, hindi ko alam yan.
Yeah, punta ako sa bahay mo, Greg.
Okay.
Pero honestly, ganda nito
Ganda ng quality, no?
Ganda niya.
Yeah, ako I'll give it 8 to 8.5. It's so good.
As someone na hindi number
Someone
1 ang
Hindi ako
imagination.
masyado into imagination. I like this version.
If this is less than 1,500, this is a 10 for me.
Yep.
It's a 9. I'm not the biggest fan of imagination then.
Same.
It's the type of...
Gab-
It's one of those fragrances, bro, na sinusuot ko lang kasi may compliments na nakukuha.
It is compliment getter.
Compliment getter, yes. It's a
Yeah,
compliment
that's
getter. Pero for me kasi imagination makes me feel so good talaga.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a feel
Makes
good
me feel
fragrance.
so
I agree
good.
naman. I agree naman.
It's a 10 for me, bro.
10 sa'yo.
It's a 10 for you.
Kasi
Alright,
paborito ko yun sa buong sa buong
LV line.
LVs, bro. I love
Afternoon
it.
swim pa rin na.
Okay.
After.
Okay. Next natin
Ano
is
yan?
called Coveted Diamond. This is a clone of Pacific Chill.
Oh! Uy, wait lang
Ah.
Iba yung bote, hindi mo kang Pacific Chill.
Hindi nga eh, kala
Hindi
ko
mo kang
like,
Pacific
in
Chill.
fairness.
nasa utak ko is like symphony.
Mukha siyang ano yung symphony.
Mukha
ano,
siyang
dahil sa
symphony
kulay.
Wala, hindi siya mukhang ano. Kung mapapansin nyo sa mga bote ni Kadlaj, hindi niya kinokopya yung kung ano yung tsura ng bottle design ng kinokopya niya.
May tawag dyan going against the grain.
Hindi, may tawag dyan, pre. Avoiding lawsuits.
Tama. Yeah, Pacific
That
Chill
is
siya
good.
right off the bat. It's
That is good.
Pacific Chill.
That is good. And ito, isa pang underrated to. I'm telling you.
Just mojito.
Miss Andre, if you're watching, lahat ng inamoy namin dito, walang tapon, padala nyo na po sa akin. My address is sa 15. Joke lang. Ang bango.
Sobrang ganda nito.
Mojito, bro. Like, amoy na amoy mo yung mint leaves.
Ito, hindi ko naman siya gini-gatekeep, but like,
Guys,
in the back of
guys.
in the back of my mind, hindi ko siya ini-effortan oy guys, try this. Pero na-content ko na kasi to. But again, may mga existing na kasi, so parang, I just love the scent DNA. But,
Pero
yeah.
minsan kasi ganun din may iwasan eh. For you, may maganda, and then pag lumabas to, mas mabango na to. Pag may
Yeah.
lumabas na naman. I think that's what happened sa'yo. Kasi marami ka na contents ng Pacific Chill, and ito.
Alright, ang bango, no? So,
Yeah. Bango niya, bango niya.
I like na na sobrang buhay na buhay din yung pagiging Pacific Chill niya.
Ano siya, to describe it to you guys, like photorealistic mint leaves.
Mint leaves, no? Yeah.
Mint
Sobrang
leaves.
sobrang refreshing niya.
Yeah.
Yeah, hindi siya mint na amoy like toothpaste.
Green? Yeah.
No.
No.
Like mint leaves.
Because it's mixed with fruity
Yeah.
notes.
I mean like yung mojito mismo, where it's inspired, meron siyang mint leaves talaga eh.
Yeah.
Kaya parang mojito siya. It's so good.
Amoy soft drinks na may mojito.
Yes, bro.
Bango nito, grabe.
Ito yung na-enjoy lang ng Shibi, bro. You know?
How is it?
Pacific Chill?
Team ano yung afternoon swim?
Yeah,
Afternoon
yeah.
swim, Pacific Chill sila. Ako kasi, yung sa tatlong yun, imagination pa rin ako. Pero,
Imagination, brother.
uy, ang ganda na ito mga ring sa akin. Pero pero ang bango nito.
Yeah. Rate.
So good.
9.
9.
As someone who's not a huge fan of Pacific Chill.
Okay. Ako 10 pala. Talaga. 10 talaga ako rito.
I would give it
I'll give this a 9 kasi
9 as well.
ngayon sa
Yeah.
nakikita ko kung saan ko siya pwedeng gamitin. Ang dami
Ang
talaga.
dami pwedeng
Ang dami
pagamitin.
talaga.
I would say this is a 9 for me too. Yeah.
Alright.
Wait lang Magsa-summer na.
Perfect
Yeah?
ito.
Magsa-summer na.
Perfect talaga to.
Problema, bro, kailangan maganda katawan mo pag susuotin mo.
Kaya nag-diet tayo eh.
Andre, aabot kaya ito sa summer?
Okay, for the
Down
last
to our
fragrance.
last scent. Ito, tingnan. I think-
Wait lang, hula ko Anong hula niyong kaamoy niyan?
Ano yan, bro? Dalina.
Feeling ko na yan, blonde amber.
Bro, I was thinking the same thing.
Blonde amber.
Bro, knowing
I don't
the
think
pattern, bro.
Hindi. Hindi siya. Avoiding lawsuits, sabi mo, di ba? Blue de Chanel yan, bro.
Hindi, ano yan, bro? Juicy Couture.
Juicy. Delina.
Alright. Last, okay. Eto, I just unboxed this last night.
So, bali, naamoy mo
Pero,
na.
naamoy ko na kasi ito sa
Okay.
Dubai na naman, di ba? So, yabang ko na talaga masyado.
Ay, habang ko na talaga masyado.
So, nagawan ko ito ng content. Napanood nyo na to. Okay, so
Nagawan mo ng content kasama yung iPhone 17 Pro Max mo na 1 terabyte?
1 terabyte na
Two-
not fully paid.
Ano?
Hindi. Okay, intro. This is Onyx. There's
Onyx.
silver. This one is just the Onyx.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, yan pala yung dinidifferentiate nila sa kulay ng cap. Onyx gold,
Yes.
Onyx silver. Ano to?
This is gold.
Oh, okay.
What can you say? Teka, sasama ako sa inyo.
Yeah, blonde amber.
Okay.
Oh, tayo! Ang bango!
So this is
I'm a blonde amber guy.
this is
Blonde
bland
amber.
amber.
Bland amber.
Bland.
Yun yung pinsan.
Blonde,
Yun yung pinsan.
Bland.
No, this is a blonde amber. Clive
Bangis,
Christian.
Bangis,
Yeah.
Bangis talaga na amoy niya.
Okay, yeah.
Yes.
Blonde amber.
Yes.
I love blonde
Now,
amber so much.
like, eto ang bango. The reason why I dislike blonde amber is because
You don't have
for
taste,
the
that's why.
No. I love blonde amber. The smell of it. But the problem is the price. It's so
Sobrang
high.
mahal.
It's so,
Sobrang
it's
mahal
very
niya.
expensive.
Yan yung yan yung type of fragrance na tingin ka na agad sa ME.
Yep,
Yeah,
exactly.
that's true, that's
and
true.
now, since nga may ganito, and it captures the DNA perfectly,
Can I try it on
Diba?
skin?
Bro, I'll have to try it on skin. So,
Unlimited. Sir Renato, if you're watching, si Shibib has a limited real estate. Hindi na ubusan ng real estate yan. Yung sa skin, yung real estate.
ang kapal na laman niya eh.
Ang kapal eh.
Sarap,
Yeah.
no?
Sarap.
Okay,
ganda.
I'm not the biggest fan kasi ng Blonde Amber.
Okay.
Pero, naamoy ko siya sa kapitbahay ko. Tapos sabi ko, ano yun ang bango?
PJ,
Sabi niya sa akin, si
PJ?
PJ. Sabi sa akin ni PJ. No,
Amber Empire.
yung Amber Empire niya kasi, sabi ko hindi ko talaga gusto yan eh. Ayoko niyan, hindi ko masyadong type. Tapos nung na-compliment ko siya, sabi niya, mabango? Mabango? Ito yun eh, yung ayaw mo.
Parang ako lang, pre, binate ko siya eh. Pinamoy ako blind. Bango ba? Bango. Yan ko latte yan eh.
Hindi sabi mabango ah.
Oy, sinabi mo, gumanong
Minsan
ka,
kasi talaga pag sa iba nang galing nababanguhan ka na eh. Pag ikaw
Yeah.
ayaw mo.
Ako, yeah.
ako,
Alright.
trinay akong i-bait ni Sha. Hi, Sha.
Hi, siya.
Trinay akong i-bait ni Sha. I'm not a big fan of Haltan.
Ano?
Haltan, yeah.
Haltan,
Ah,
Haltan,
Tapos, pinapaspray niya sa balat niya. Di ba, syempre, iba yung balat ni Sha. Still the same. I don't like it. Tapos, trinay niya akong i-bait. Like, 30 minutes later, sabi niya, may mo to. It's okay. Parang ganun. Sabi niya, that's Haltan. Yeah, it's the same thing. It's okay. It's not good. It's just okay.
Yeah, pero ito, like now, na nakaamoy na naman ako niyan, I'm not gonna say na I don't like it. Because na-figure out ko na I like it sa air.
Yeah.
It's
Si
good.
Andrea, ako ipapadala niyo to kay isama niyo yan, pero akin na lang. Ako magre-review.
yeah.
Sa Andre, gusto ko na po siya ngayon. Mabango ka pa rin po, maganda ka pa rin po. Mabagal pa rin po ako tumakbo.
So what I imagine in this fragrance is, hindi ko alam kung dahil narinig ko lang yung Clive Christian, but it smells like Christian Grey na naka-suit and tie.
Yes. This is what a seductive man that knows what he wants would wear.
And this is the perfect example of Maginoo na medyo bastos.
Yes.
Hindi ba? Ano yan?
Ano yan
Parang
eh.
Hindi ba bastos yan?
Bastos to eh.
Maginoo na bastos.
Hindi medyo bastos. Bastos
Hindi,
talaga.
bastos na Maginoo.
Hindi, bastos na medyo Maginoo.
Primary characteristic niya yung bastos. Secondary na yung
Medyo
Maginoo.
Oo.
No, I think sa akin naman, how it smells, kasi parang may pagka, other than being seductive, meron kasi siyang parang mysterious vibes because of the darkness ng scent niya. It's quite boozy, it's quite sweet, it's quite earthy, ganyan, quite,
Yes.
So parang nga na-imagine ko dito is, alam mo yung, he's acting like a gentleman, but it's not.
Yes, exactly.
Like, meron pala siyang like
Hidden agenda.
Hidden
agenda.
Yeah, parang
Ito
ganun.
sa akin.
Meron ba itong nutmeg or cinnamon?
Probably
Sabi.
a spice or something, probably.
You know what this smells like to me? This smells like... Okay, let's talk about first dates again for
First
women.
dates?
For women. So, this smells like the date that you had at a really fancy restaurant. And then he treated you really nicely. Talked to the waiters really nicely as well. So you can say that he's a man of character. Tapos, he left a good tip. Nung naghiwalay na kayo, he didn't sleep with you on the first night. And you kept thinking about him all throughout the night. And hindi siya maano
Wala
sa
sa
isip
Pero
mo.
you didn't know that it was all part of a manipulation tactic.
Pwede rin yun.
Kumbaga, alam mo na
Yun eh. Hidden agenda.
Hidden agenda.
Nandun eh.
Oo.
Hidden
Diba?
agenda.
Diba?
Subtle pala yung hidden agenda. Hindi pala ito yung... Papasok yung medyo bastos, guys.
Medyo,
Kaya
Hindi naman siya yung bastos.
Bastos nga.
Hindi, alam mo kung ba't ganun yung atake niya. Kasi nagbasa siya ng 48 Laws of Power tsaka Art of Seduction.
Oh! Expert siya sa manipulation.
Sobrang ganda ng libro na yan.
Tapos the prince ni Niccolo Machiavelli, right?
Yan ang gusto kong basahin.
Yeah, ayun
Hindi ko pa
talaga.
natabasa yan.
Maganda yun.
Band
May
yung
libro
book
ka
na yun,
pa.
sibong
Band.
ano eh.
Yeah.
Ano lang
kasi,
bro?
Yeah.
Ano lang ako doon? E-book lang.
E-book.
Yeah, it's so
kung
good.
kung plain-minded ka na tao, kung simpleton ka, iisipin mo, it's a guide to be corrupt.
No.
It's a guide to be like a bad person, to
No.
use others, manipulate others. But You
It's
have to think higher than that.
it's how you it opens your mind lang naman. Tingnan mo yung tingnan mo bango na to, tingnan mo yung pinag-uusapan namin. Parang ano.
Napunta na kay Belly.
So let's rate.
Let's rate.
Okay.
Love it, bro. 10.
I love it. Yeah. It's 10 out 10 for me. Yeah.
Me too.
Kinukuha na niya ako 9.5.
Yeah. It's a 10. I love these kinds of DNA.
Nice. So we ended up with a high score. So with Onyx. All right. So now before we
I wanna do this.
Close the
Let's pick our top 3.
top
Top
three.
threes,
Top
please,
threes.
please.
So here's my top 3. So coming in at top 1,
Oh my God.
Musk Ice.
Yeah.
So fucking good. This is my top 3. It's called Musk Blend. Really, really good. Top 2,
The
Maghrib.
face.
Maghrib lang naalala ko
Face
kasi
Maghrib,
it's a
yeah.
name for our 6 p.m. prayer. Maghrib.
yeah, nice.
Yeah. And top 1 ko is Musk Ice. Really, really good.
Wow.
That's your top 1?
Top 1 ko talaga to.
Okay.
Wow.
So guys, my top 1, this is Musk Blend.
Musk Blend.
Nakadalawang bottle na si Greg nito for a reason. This is my top 1. My top 2 is si Island Dreams Symphony, a good everyday fragrance. And then yung top 3 ko, yung nasa private blend nila si Tobacco Extra. Ang tagal ko inamoy ito off-cam nung nag-cut tayo kanina, and it's really, really good. Guys, give this a second chance. So if you sniff it, sniff this twice. It's that good.
Okay, for me, my top 3, I'll go 3 second and then third, second and first. For my third one is this. Ito yung Valhalla. Ito yung
That's the Valaya.
Valhalla one, right? Yeah. This one is my third one.
Yeah.
My second one naman is itong
Angel Share Paradise.
yeah, Angel Share Paradise.
That's
Really, really
Kadlaj
good.
Mansion.
Yeah, Kadlaj Mansion. And then of course my first one, I think.
Yeah.
Parang this is a common theme na sa aming lahat. Like Musk Blend.
Yeah, that's my top 1. It's
so good. Hanggang ngayon.
Tsaka lakas siya. Lalakas.
Guys,
the Musk Blend and the Musk Ice. It's so...
Inaamoy ko
Guys,
pa
ako lang
rin.
to pero na-compliment ako ni Greg na kanina lang. Ako lang to guys
Inaamoy ko pa rin, and it's still here, and it gets more and more interesting the more that time passes by.
Yeah, no, it's
Ganda.
better. It's really...
Grabe.
Ganda humalo sa balat, no?
It really
Yes.
changes on skin, yeah.
Grabe, bro.
You, Greg, what's your top 3?
My top 3 on the third spot is
Oh, that's good
Shaka
too.
Shadow.
Okay.
Ang hirap ng top 3 lang
Shaka
eh.
Shadow. Ito.
Ang hirap ng top 3 lang.
Shaka Shadow. It's so good. Sabi nga, kahit saan pwede mong gamitin. And ito yung mga type of scents ko, no? Kaya magagamit ko to anywhere.
Plum, that's plum, no?
On the second spot is the common denominator sa aming apat.
Yeah.
It's the Musk Blend. Grabe. Grabe talaga. Wala akong masabi.
Dent nyo yan, di ba? Dent nyo yan.
Yeah. And then,
Dent ni Ate
on
Ara.
my top 1 is the Faiz Maghrib.
Okay.
Faiz
So,
Maghrib.
So, yung top 1 mo na nasa Dubai ka, yan pa rin yung
Parang
top 1
ito
mo.
yata din talaga yung
Yung nasa Dubai ka, nasa souk? Na pumunta ka?
Pumunta ako ng perfume souk sa Dubai.
Souk sa Dubai,
Oo.
di ba?
Uy guys, ang bango niyan Like, it's kind of confusing when you first try it, but...
Yes.
Kasi
So-
parang ano tong naamoy mo? Parang
Yeah, so think about tropical fruits sa background and think about yung
Think about pumunta
soda-like
ka nung
Sprite.
Dubai, sa nung Dubai souk.
Yung soda-like effervescent, sparkly sa front ng GFS.
Yeah.
Can I say something?
Yo.
This is a dupe of Tomas Cosmala.
Neon.
Neon 4.
Neon, yeah.
Okay. Sabi nga nila, but I have to smell it first kasi
Yeah,
hindi ko talaga
nakita ko
alam.
rin kanina actually, it's Neon. TK4 Neon. Hindi ko pa lang naamoy
Pero
yun.
alam mo kasi, ay hindi, naamoy ko na yung one time last year pa. Actually matagal na. Parang 2004 pa nga yata, 2024 pa yata. Yeah, it is fruity, pero hindi ko alam kung meron siya nung parang herbal quality niya, yung parang musk quality niya, I don't know. But anyway, yeah, that's my
Yeah.
top 1.
Honorable mention yung isa lang. Gusto ko talaga mag-honorable
Sige,
mention.
let's go for one honorable mention. One each.
Ako.
Okay.
Sige, ay sa'yo muna.
Pwede 2.
Sige, let's make...
Mabilis lang. Abot ako ng tabak. Ito.
So pare-pares talaga tayo.
Honorable mentions. Itong tabak extra. So good. Hindi to pwedeng hindi mo banggit. Kasi
Yeah.
okay talaga siya eh.
Yeah.
And this one too. I really like this.
Yeah. Sige, dalawa na tayo. Parang
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, I was supposed to pick up the Karus, pero nakita ko bigla to. Si Desert Rose.
Yup.
Guys, ang dami talaga maganda dito. So, si Desert Rose and ito, yung top 3 ni Greg. This is Plum, a good, versatile fragrance ng Kadlaj.
Yeah.
Shaka Shadow.
Go, Gab.
Okay, for me, itong Shiaka
Snow.
Snow, so soft, so cuddly in a way. Parang ang linis lang niya, bro. No?
Yeah. Yan nga yung like corpo
Clean
guy na
boy, corpo
nagko-commute.
guy. Yeah,
exactly.
Yeah.
Performative. And then, of course, this one right here.
Oh, di pala nakapasok sa top
Wala,
3
hindi
yan.
pala sa
Okay.
top 3
Yeah,
yan.
hindi nakapasok unfortunately kasi nga yung mga napili
Mas
ko sa top
favorite
3
mo
ko
yun.
is my favorite
Hindi mo
talaga.
kasi naamoy sa katawan ni Shibibi. Iba sa katawan ni
Yung
Shibibi.
pagputok ng muscle na gano'n.
Yeah, sa bagay. Kailangan mo kasi maging book talaga. Pero yeah, this one is really, really good. This is
Bango.
one of my honorable mentions too. Yeah, I love it.
Ikaw, Greg.
I was thinking Desert Shows to enter my top 3. But yun nga, may iba na una. But yeah,
Close.
honorable mention. Close ko siya
Close
sa,
top
sa
3.
rank 3. And then the other one would be
Sabi niya, bubunutin niya yun.
Coveted.
Oh
Mukha
my
na akong
God.
sirang plaka dito, pero Pacific Chill is really a bias talaga sa akin. So, yeah. I was thinking kung sino sa atin ng dalawa. But, mas magagamit
Ito-
ko kasi to.
ito
Ito
kasi-
kasi,
Yeah.
ito kasi since sobrang mahal ng ginagaya niya, parang gusto mong bigyan ng higher rank.
Yes.
Ito si Greg, honestly, off-cam, ginagamit niya talaga ito.
Oh, bro.
Si yung
Talaga.
DNA na to, yung DNA. Yeah.
Talaga.
Okay. Overall conclusions and thoughts about Kadlaj.
Well, sorry na late ko na kayo in-explore.
Same.
Pero sobrang for me sa ME house, sa mga ME, it's up there. Si
It
Kadlaj.
is.
Kadlaj is up
I
there.
think it's one of the houses na talagang... You know, there are mother houses, di ba? I think they're one of the mother houses. Di ba, Kadlaj?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alam mo, bang ang dami nilang okay ah.
Ano, sobrang rami. Ang
Lips,
ganda.
what do you think?
Ang ganda.
Walang tapon.
Walang tapon.
Walang tapon. Kadlaj.
Especially for the
Call me.
prices, bro. For the prices.
For the
bro.
prices as well.
For the
Kadlaj,
Saka they have,
email
ano,
me.
At saka they have parang at least parang like tier. Di ba? May
Yes.
mga below 2,000, may 3,000
Yes.
pataas.
Parang 'di ba if entry level if you're a student, nakapang budget, ito
Eto, Karus is
mura.
can't go wrong.
Yeah,
Yeah.
can't go wrong. And then susunod na tong mga to, higher tier and then
Yeah.
the private lens.
Hindi talaga sila magkakamali dito. Eh, no?
Yeah,
No.
can't go wrong.
Hindi, bro.
Munti ko na kunin niya kanina sa honorable mention ko kaso nakita ko si Rose. So
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
wait, hindi ako makaget over dito sa packaging. Sana ginawa na ng green to kasi na-clickbait ako.
Oo.
Na-clickbait ako nito.
para pa siyang ano, kasi yung kulay niya, no, parang
Symphony.
LV,
Symphony.
no. California Dream.
California din yung grade yan.
Oh, yeah.
Oy, by the way, magdi-discount na yon, guys.
Talaga ba?
Meron pa isang magdidiscount eh, yung sa Zara. Ex-Joe Malone.
Talaga?
Oo, na lawsuit na. Kaya
Kaya tama yung ginagawa ng Kadlaj eh, na hindi nila ginagaya.
Tama to, Kadlaj. Yung susunod nyo i-release kung i-dudup nyo si Tiger, gawin yung blue. Hindi orange.
Okay.
So, that's our unbiased opinion. Our top picks, yung mga hindi na yung masyado nagustuhan. And also, actually, wala naman kami hindi masyado nagustuhan. It's just that...
Yung bote
we have
lang daw nito.
Yeah. The bottle is, improve it, okay? But, yeah. Again, sobrang ganda ng quality, sobrang ganda, wala kaming... Kumbaga lahat maganda. Sabi nga ni Swibs, walang tapon. So, yeah. I know this will be seen by Kadlaj. Actually, they're waiting for this. This is not sponsored by Kadlaj. This is also parang... This is like my content. Talaga. Alam nila yan. Okay? Also, shout out to Dubai Shop Baliwag. Of course, hindi ko makukuha yung mga bottles na to if hindi nila ako napadala sa Dubai. So, salamat po. And if you guys want to sponsor us as well sa mga other brands, let us know. Masaya kaming tumanggap ng mga gifts and talk about it without bias.
Mang Inasal seryoso.
Mang
ako
Inasal,
dun,
snip
Sa Mang
session.
Inasal,
Star City.
pwede kami
Star City.
Uy, tuloy natin sa Star City next
Oh, of course.
Hey guys, for Kadlaj, guys, please, huwag niyong pataasin yung presyo nito Huwag niyo masyadong i-hype to.
Grabe yan.
Unless makakuha mo na ako ng 2 backup. Tapos sige, shoot nyo na yung price. Grabe to.
Hindi na
Okay.
maubos.
Greg, pa full wear?
Go lang.
Uy, si Ara, tinan mo. Namula nagalit
Habang malayo pa siya. Oh my God, bro, ang bango.
If you reach this part of the video, salamat sa pagtambay. I hope na enjoy nyo yung video na to as much as we do. And abangan natin yung more product from Kadlaj because sana matupad nila yung pangako nila to bring their products here in the Philippines.
Yes.
Inshallah. Yeah, of course. So thank you so much. Like, subscribe, share to your friends, and thank you so much, guys.
Dagdag engagement. If you reach this part of the video, type sa comment, Musk Blend.
Must blend, alright?
Must blend,
blend.
Babasahin
Must
namin
blend.
yan. Must
Dito namin malalaman yung mga talagang nag-stick sa
Nakarating sa
pinakadulo.
Actually, meron pa isa.
Hawak mo
Kung
ang
kung excited talaga kayong maano din dumating yung Kadlodge, comment nyo para mas may proof na nag-aantay talaga tayo.
Kadlodge,
sa
Philippines.
Yeah, Kadlodge or Kadlodge
Yes.
Philippines. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
And, pag sa mga magko-comment,
Wait
sa
na
mga
guys. Wait na, may pangarap akong gawin guys.
Ano?
Video to ni Greg.
Okay.
So, ito yung handle ko ng TikTok.
Putra.
Mamaya mo na.
Wait lang.
Bahala kayo dyan. Hindi ako mag-edit niyan, ha?
Hindi natin papahirapan masyado.
Okay.
Sa akin yan guys ha.
Ako, hindi ko na papahirapan.
Okay.
Joke lang. Greg, gawa ka muna.
Si Adrian
Ayan.
yan. Ikaw mag-edit yan ha.
Okay, for those na na tumagal hanggang pinakadulo, pag nag-type sila ng Kadlodge sa comments, magpapamigay ng 10 bote si Greg Parilla.
Pag
Pipili
binigyan
siya.
ako ni Kadlodge ulit.
Bote na Nature Spring.
Hindi naman yan indicated.
Alright, that's
Okay.
it. Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you so much.
Till next time, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Andrea.